Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode, where are we at today? 466? Yeah, it's just, is Bitcoin stagnant? Technical answer for crypto now. If you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. So there's a link to everyone. What? Yeah, so there's a link in the description. You can also join us on Twitter, right? You can join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Twitter link also there. Sorry, man. I'm looking at the chat. How's it going, y'all? Thank you for being here. Roderick, hi. Murph, hi, man. Steve, yo, what's up, man? Jerry, hi. From the studio, saludos. Danny Official, yo. One dislike, the stream hasn't even started. Not sure, man. Haters. Who knows? What's the state of Ethereum and Bitcoin? Well, we're going to look at that, Sad. Sahad. Kimberly, Bitcoin dropping? Yeah, it looks like it. Maybe, dude, right? It's stagnating a little bit. Might be dropping a little bit. Who knows? I haven't looked at the markets at all today. Daryl drinking whiskey. Cheers. What's going on with buy? Or Bitcoin. Right. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at markets. 9. Danke. Where's your booze? Your joint's burning. I'm not drinking tonight, guys. I'm drinking water. It's Sunday. I have to work tomorrow, so I'm chilling, taking it easy. Hey, Helio. Helio, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Helio says hi there, and then frowning face. Interesting. ¿Cómo estás? I'm good, man. Thanks for asking. Wise here. Thanks for being here. Ultra TK, what's up, bro? What's up, dudes? Yeah, sorry for being late. I was out of town today. I got in. My kid's still not in bed. My wife's actually going to put him to sleep, but it's just been insane, man. It's a good day. Where do you work? I work for an international Swiss company. That's as much as I can disclose. Good evening. Thank you all for being here, guys. Thank you for coming in. Again, sorry for being late. I told you guys I could have been late today. I was a little bit late. As, you know, foreseeing this circumstance that could have happened, it did happen. So I'm here now, and that's what matters, right? Because we're going to jump onto crypto and see what's happening with market cap. What is happening with total market cap? Again, there's some stuff already there that have been requested. Yo, bring facts. How's it going, man? AD, what's up? Thank you all for coming in, guys. It's so amazing. After the first 5 coins that we look, we have a request for ADA, Link, and DOT. Also, I'll queue in DVT and RSR, right? Bro, am I in the States? No, I'm not in the States. I'm in Mexico. Yo, Soka, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. I'm not sure if Jake's going to make it in tonight. He told me he might have been, he's probably going to crash. He was feeling tired. So we're just going to have Soka and probably someone else helping out tonight. But thank you for being here, guys. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I'm going to start going through the technicals. I want to get started because I did have I was late here today. So, Ethereum TA. Sure, man. Arab Hustlers Club. It's going to be the second coin we'll look at after Bitcoin, right? Market cap, Bitcoin, and then Ethereum, right? So, yeah, it's going to come up. It's going to come up. Danny DeVito, what's up? So let's keep it rolling, right? Again, what's happening with market cap? Not a lot since we last looked at it, right? High, low, positive was positive, high, and there's at the lower point. We're still bought. Let's check, dude. I think we were bought. Bought at 60.22. It's really not doing much, right? Are we doing hidden divergence? It looks like we could now be doing hidden divergence. Let's check this out. 7.6 7, 7, and this is 11. So yeah, finally we're doing some hidden divergence, hidden bullish divergence again. That could bring some potential stalling and maybe reversal happening here on market cap, and that could be interesting for Bitcoin again. So let's see where things are at here. So we're going higher. That's it, right? Bought, like I said, at 60.08. So really nice. Double V dump. Oh no, is it really? I haven't looked at the markets today. Really appreciate the videos. Very informative. Thank you so much, dude. Let's go check out what's Bitcoin doing on dominance. Bitcoin at 66.86 market cap dominance, right? So it dropped yesterday, still 0.49 today. It's trying to go up a little bit, 0.05%. Now going down, right? Now going up, 66.86. That's where it's at right now. Where's Bitcoin futures at? Well, Bitcoin futures opened already. And we had gapped up on the opening, right, a little bit, and now we're coming down to close that gap. So whatever gap we had here, I'll tell you how it looked. Basically, we closed here, right, and then we opened up here. And now we're moving down to close the gap. So this would have been on the 15th. This is the 19th. So again, gap being closed. That's fine. We could try to bounce from there, or we could try to drop. Again, this also closes the gap that we had here. And it's going to be a long weekend on the States, right? But again, crypto doesn't care. Again, it is already open for the 19th. Why is it saying the 19th here? That's showing me off. It's already showing the 19th. It's not even the 19th. So weird that we're showing data for the 19th. We might not even be gapping yet. This is an hour. Sorry, a day and 19 hours to go. It's very awkward that it's showing this on Bitcoin CME futures. There should be no data because like tomorrow's an off day for the US. So weird. Anyways. Let's keep rolling. Martin, can we do GRT and REN? Sure, dude. Why not? Try to use official format, though, please. Makes it really easy to track, right? Drip before drop? Maybe. You love adding my live stream into your daily schedule. That's very kind of you, Double B. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Someone took your position, though. Someone came in and donated towards the end of the stream. I can't remember who it was. I didn't write it down. I just basically came in. I noticed that I had the donation. I remember mentioning it yesterday. I didn't write the name down. I have to go in and clear that up because that's the latest donation that we have now, right? So, I came through Cointree. So, interesting, right? Anyways, what are we doing on Bitcoin? High, higher, right? Negative, more negative. We're still making more negative momentum, right? And we're still slightly higher. Again, Bitcoin, I'm not worried. We're still stagnant, right? That's why it's that's what the name of the stream is. Is it stagnant? Right? It's not Anon. You know, I couldn't remember the name. I just put it as Anon, but someone actually donated towards the end of the stream. Bearing facts. Let's discuss that off the air, bro. I'm not sure. Plus, I want to move through the technicals right now. If you're new to the channel and you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, right? Right on. So, we're still between 37,275 to 34,438. We did wick down. That's fine. We found support, right, at the previous channel, upsloping channel that we had. Again, hitting that support there, right? Taking a bounce. Still closed above 34,438. So again, Bitcoin is really just, you know, stagnating a little bit, which it gives alts a little bit of room to play. But the way Bitcoin dropped yesterday a little bit when it came down here, it did screw up with a lot of the alts, right? Because we saw a lot of alts dropping a little bit on, you know, Bitcoin just scaring the market, right? Bitcoin bearish. I'm not sure. We're looking at Bitcoin right now, so that's what we're trying to determine. We have the hidden bullish, right? That will just track onto there. Really waiting for it to drop slightly more. Because if you want to be like real fair here, right, from here to here, you're going higher. And from here to here, still coming lower, right? And from here to here, you're coming lower, right? So with that, we're developing that bearish divergence, right? So potential for action to the upside, right? That hidden bullish divergence, sorry. Hidden bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI yet from back here. It's just short term, right? We also have it against the MACD and the RSI. So we could be looking for some stalling. We could still get it at this level, right? At 34,438. So there's nothing wrong with that, right? We're still be going higher than the previous high. Let's see how Bitcoin keeps on behaving. I'm going to look at the other Bitcoin charts that we have, see where we're at. You think DOT will crash or go up? What's more likely? I'm not sure. We haven't looked at DOT yet. Ultra 2K. I know you requested it off the air. I'm gonna look at it on the stream though, but you know, you're gonna have to wait for it because it's pre-queued, so it's gonna be easier to go through it. Lauren Grimaldo, hello from Peru. I think it will be higher by the end of the year. It should definitely be higher by the end of the year, Lorraine, right? There's a lot of things out there that are super bullish for Bitcoin. We're all waiting for them to play out. Right, so where are we at here, man? Again, rejecting 36,170. We might come down here again, find support at 34,230. That will be the 236. Same bullish divergence that we have here, right? Again, I'm not going to trace it here. I want to get a lot of data on the same charts, but talking about what can potentially happening. Well, what can potentially happen or be happening. Where are we at here with the other chart? In the micro fibs that we drew. Well, we're finding support. We're actually breaking slightly below that 382, right? At 35,101. And we're reclaiming it now. So that 382 seems to be holding out support. That's fine. Let's see if we manage to hold on to support there. I'm not sure we're going to actually do that, but it's fine for now. So long as we stay above this previous low, we're good, right? Because then we'd be on a triangle. We high, lower high, low, higher low, if we get a bounce. Now, if we drop more, we could be really looking at like a downsloping consolidation or maybe a downsloping channel that would not be very good for Bitcoin in the short term, right? It would indicate a short-term downtrend for Bitcoin. Smay, everything in red. Market's crashing. Bull run canceled. Everyone sell. No, don't do that. Don't do any of those things. Do your own thinking and try to see where the market's going to go. Again, hidden bullish on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we did go slightly lower, but again, we're still here at Prisla high, so you know, we're gonna check out what we're doing. High, low, positive. Sorry, negative, less negative, low. Sorry, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point. There's really nothing bullish happening here, and also nothing bearish. High, low, positive was positive, right? Sorry, positive, negative, and then high, low, and lower. So everything's fine here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Justin Tomlin saying 25K. Doubt it. No worries, bros. No, not an annoyance, Ultra 2K. Not at all. For reals. I mean, it's just on the queue. So we'll check it out. But, you know, when I get to it, for sure. And we'll discuss DOT. Dino official, what is your trading strategy? Use an indicator strategy or plan or strictly price action, technical analysis trading, reversals or breakouts? Yeah, I use you know, potential reversals, areas of support. I use MACD strategy sometimes when applicable, right? So some of those strategies do work. Mainly what I use, right? So I look for those areas of consolidation, particularly if there's downsloping and we're going to come accompanied by a cross like this, where there could be that potential for that small pump to happen or that potential big pump sometimes to happen. So I look for those things, patterns, right? A lot of chart patterns, particularly if they are forming bullishly, right? We're really looking to open positions there. Plan for levels in and you know, late ins. Early ins, middle ins, and then late ins. Or, you know, late ins is basically the last price I'm willing to buy. And then also exit, right? Plan for exits at percentage levels. Sometimes I use trailing stop losses. Sometimes I just set a stop loss. You know, switch to take profit later on. It really depends, right? But I do a lot of stuff. I do, depends on how the market's looking and the strategy I'm going to use. You're learning tons. Thanks, man. Thanks, D-Dot. Trust me. Thank you for being here. Justin. Three ascending pigs in the 4 hour. We'll see, dude. Did I skip that? Are we doing 3 ascending pigs? 3 fallen pigs. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, starting to form. Really not going lower than the previous one yet, but the pattern that you're making mention to, I'll bring it up in a second. As reference, it's actually called 3 falling peaks. Not 3 ascending peaks, but 3 falling peaks, and then you have 3 rising valleys. That's the opposite, but yeah, it could be right. I mean, it's really a bearish pattern. I'm not sure if that's what we're going to be making here. We might find support and bounce, right? But let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, we had this hidden divergence. Taking a nice pop. High, higher, right? Positive or positive. High on their side to hard point. High, low, positive, positive. Coming down, that's fine. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Right. Some hidden, some strong bullish divergence actually, right? For action to the upside. And that is good, right? I said we could get it to here. We got it a little bit lower, that's fine. I called it for a couple of coins, if you remember. I said, look, there's nothing wrong if we come lower, create bullish divergence, and then pop. We're getting a pop right now, but we are facing some divergence. I'm trying to determine what type of divergence we have. So we're starting to reverse. 212, 192, still slightly lower, and here we're going higher. So we had some hidden bearish right here. And from here to here. Oh, sorry, not here, on the bottom part. And first question, did I anchor this in the 1 hour? I did. Right here. Right. So with that, we have that potential for a movement down. We're starting to move down, that's fine. Again, if we fail to drop lower than the previous low, again, coming to this area would be fine. We would be given some continuation to this strong bullish divergence. That would be very, very nice. Right. Don Juan, those clickbait titles though. It's not a clickbait title, dude. Like, Bitcoin is stagnant. Look at the price action today. We were here last night. Where were we last night? Here? We were here and like we closed somewhere around here, like 1 p.m. Or yeah, sorry, 1 in the morning. And look at where this candle started. It started actually higher. So for me, leaving here and coming back today and being at the same level is stagnation. It just went up and down a little bit, but stagnation nonetheless, right? Stability and stagnation is the same thing here, dude. It just means the price is not moving, right? And it's stagnant. It's failing to take off or failing to drop. It's being stagnant. All right, it's consolidating. We call that, but it's just stagnating at this level, right? It's just floating in this area. With a test or some, yeah, maybe, dude. We'll see what happens on Tuesday when the U.S. comes back in. Right, because we know it's going to be a long weekend for the US. If you guys like what we do, hit the like and bell and the sub, right? Also, if you want me to go with better titles, please suggest titles on the Discord. Because I'm running out of ideas sometimes for titles, and I don't want them to repeat with previous titles that we had. So, low, high, negative, less negative, low, under, set to our point. Nothing bullish right now. But again, right, the hidden bearish did move us down. That's fine. We kind of expected something like this happening, so again, not super worried. We were here last night. I said it wouldn't be weird if we drop slightly lower, create bullish divergence. I called that for a couple of projects. Again, everyone's moving to the rhythm of Bitcoin. Also, we're looking like they wanted to do their own thing yesterday, but they're not doing it right now, right? Anyways. Stagnant has a negative connotation. For me, just stagnation just means that it's not moving, right? It's I'm probably me, dude, but I don't put a negative connotation to stagnation. For me, just stagnation just means that it's just there. It's not doing anything. It's floating in limbo, basically, right? So we're gonna keep on looking at this. Let's go to the half hour. I'm really intrigued to see where that is. Sorry, I put the 3 hour, not the half hour. And we're also gonna look at the weekly because we closed a weekly candle on the Bitcoin. So let's see, what are we doing here? So high, low, right, slightly lower, high, slightly lower, low, high. There's some bearish divergence, right, even to here. So I'll take it at pars because there's two types of divergence that are at play. The first one, it's hidden bearish. We have it against the MACD and the RSI. And then the second one that we have is strong bearish, but just against the MACD. We don't have it against the RSI, right? Just like that. With that, comes with potential action to the downside. We're starting to drop. I want to make this larger. I really want to see where we're at here. Not there yet, right? I was looking for some hidden bullish. Going low, higher, low, negative, more negative. We don't have it yet. We could make it. It's just a question of whether or not Bitcoin really wants to drop a little bit more from where it's at. Low, high on the other side, that's fine. Sold at 39.59 on the 30-minute. Let's go to the weekly. And the weekly, I want to look at another chart because this one has a lot of data in it. So I want to look at a cleaner chart. This one's still clean. We finally closed a red week. All right, that's not bad at all. I'm not worried about that, but at least it gives us some consolidation. Bullishly pushed it back up. That's fine. At some point in time, we're going slightly higher. That's also great. Now we're coming back down again to that 236, right, on the weekly. So that's fine. We're starting to retrace a little bit. Not super worried about it yet. Neutral at, sorry, overbought at 83.34 on the RSI. Great stuff. Please give your thoughts on WRX. Sure, man. We haven't looked at WRX. I'll look at it a little bit later, right? Also, someone on the Discord PM'd me and asked for a coin earlier. I said I would check it out. I'll just write it down so I don't forget. Right on. Look at Bal. Sure, bro. Well, let's keep it rolling. Bearish flag in the 1 minute. Dude, I'm not going to go 1 minute. Again, on the daily, it still looks fine, right? Consolidation happening here in Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum. What's happening with Ethereum on the daily? We have some, give me one quick second. It feels like I want to sneeze, but it feels like it just wants to be trapped in my nose, so I'm timing it so I can hit the mute before I sneeze. It's leaving. Yeah, it's gone. I don't think I'm going to sneeze now. Isn't that cool? It just went away. Right on, so what do we have here for Ethereum, right? 425, 6, great. Low, high, right? Again, I really wish this would be coming slightly lower, but we still have this divergence building up here, and it's hidden bearish, right? Potential fraction to the upside. Actually, I'll put that to there right now because that's slightly higher still. And then we're bought at 63.71 on the RSI. That's the only thing it has going on right now. Again, right, we moved up onto this level, and I told you this is a good area to be in. 1,261 to 1,153. We have moved down yesterday a little bit. We are coming back up right now, and with that, we're looking at potential retest of 1,153. That wouldn't be bad for Ethereum, right? That would be actually pretty cool for it. So, one second to make sure that the camera's there. I keep bumping the camera throughout the day. I wasn't here throughout the day, but I did turn on some lights right behind there, and I think I actually bumped the camera. I moved it down a little bit, but we'll keep it going. We'll see how the stream goes. Not with the camera where I placed it. Anyways, thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and sub, dude. Head and shoulder in the 1 second. Yeah, we're not gonna go to the 1 second chart, bro. Buy Ethereum now or wait. Advice. I cannot give you advice, KB, but thank you for asking, man. The graphs, URV, please. The graphs already been requested. Horst. You like my style of talking? I'm not as negative or hyper as a lot of other traders that stream on YouTube. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I try to be neutral as much as I can. Boomer, what's up, man? Thank you for being here. A lot of people complaining about my talking yesterday, right? GRT's already requested CRV. You just go on the queue, right? So they're not going to be done together. Yo, Joshua Dorval. Hi, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Money Mike, thanks for being here. 1 second is up, 1 second is down. Yeah, that's a 1 second chart for you, man. Who trades on the 1 second chart, man? For real. I'm not sure, man. That's a good question. I'm not sure what's going to happen tomorrow for Martin Luther King's Day. Maybe we have a sell-off. Maybe we have like a pump, right? I mean, we're looking at Bitcoin, man. Go check it out. It was the first coin that we did. Will Shoemaker. You can check it out. I already covered it. Just rewind a couple minutes. I did it in detail. Otherwise, you have to wait for me to do a recap, and that's going to go more or less after Legacy or wherever that was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or after Bal. Who knows? You know, somewhere around the middle. Yeah, no worries, man. The thing is, I just went into detail. I'm not going to go into it right now. I got to move through other projects and coins. That's it in the daily, right? That hidden bullish. Let's see if it managed to get us higher. Again, like like moving sideways, right? And why is it moving sideways? Because Bitcoin's moving sideways. It tried to do its own thing yesterday. It was fine until Bitcoin dropped a little bit and then just dragged the whole market down with it, right? Because Bitcoin's being a party pooper. It's like, y'all think you want to run? Y'all think you can run without me? And then Bitcoin's like, no way, man. And it moves it down, right? Yeah, rent's already been requested. It's on the queue. Well, I'll tell you what, January so far has been good, right? It did pump a lot in January. Let's see how we close the month, though. Where are we on the monthly, dude, for Bitcoin, actually? We didn't look at that. I think we're still doing a very green month. Yeah, very green month. So let's keep on going with Ethereum. 4 hour. Bearish divergence moving down. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point. Even here, low, high, right? So it's all good. We don't have anything that is bullish right now. Just in the middle of that channel. So, again, moving sideways. We called for that a while back, right? I said it was a good area to be in. High, low, possible is positive, high on the other side to lower point. There's nothing bearish from here to here. Let's see if we have something bullish. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point. Nothing there. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point. There's really nothing on divergences. The only thing we can do is go to the half hour and see if we have something there on divergences that could indicate a shift in action. Make this larger. Where's this at, dude? Negative, less negative still. Wow. So low, high, negative, less negative, low on there, side to higher point. There's really nothing there. We did create some bearish divergence on the half hour chart from here to here. It's gonna be in the half hour. Also wants to go on the daily. There we go. And high, low. All right, so strong bearish divergence moving down on that. It is what it is, right? We don't have anything bullish yet. And if we drop below this area, I doubt we're going to have something bullish because we're going to be making more negative momentum. Probably going to be getting rid of whatever we had here on, or potentially can have here on the MACD. Let me check the hour side. 33.61, 35, slightly higher. So Ethereum, it's not really doing its own thing. It's just moving sideways. So, you know, regular market motion, not super worried about it. Sorry if I'm scratching my eye a lot. Like for my friend has a ranch near the city, and took the kids out there. I think I got a lot of smoke in my eyes. So Chinese New Year, something to do with that? To do with what? Stagnation? Yeah, they stop a lot of business, but you know, crypto, it's a 24/7 thing, dude, right? Like, it's not going to stop for China. And I'm pretty sure if traders in China see that Bitcoin's dropping, they're not just going to sit there and say, oh, it's Chinese New Year, I'm not going to do anything. Yeah. Well, I agree with you, Joshua, but right now we're in a bull trend. I'm not sure, like, some of the traders are just going to let everyone else take profits when they're just chilling out for New Year's, right? We'll see. What?
One of the few down-to-earth streams out there. Thank you for the great explanations. Learning something new every day.
Wow, thank you so much for that. S1006. That's pretty cool. Thanks for that $5 tip, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for that. I'm not sure if it sounds dull for you. Let me know, because I have notifications to play out loud for me. So they also go out to the stream, so you might be getting that double feedback. And if you do, let me know, because I'm not sure how you're hearing that on the other end. If it sounds messy, let me know so I can try to lower the volume here on my side for notifications, right? Anyways, yeah, thanks so much for that, man. It's really cool. Thanks for that awesome tip, man. Right, so let's keep on rolling, dude. Let's go to XRP. We're still going to be here. We're going to recap in a couple hours, see where things are at. So, yeah. Hear it twice. Is it, like, super muddled when you hear it, or is it kind of clear? Or is it, like, one of them softer and the other one's louder? So that's fine. All right, I'm trying to engage that because, you know, I know that if I play a sound here on my computer and I don't mute my mic, you hear it twice. So it's just one of those things that I'm really, really trying to get to sound good. It's not disturbing. All right, cool. Since I used to get a lot of tips before, it wasn't like really something that I was into that. But since we've been getting a couple more tips lately, I wasn't sure how it was going out on your end. But thank you for letting me know. Awesome. XRP. Right. So that moving down, right? Low, lower, negative, less negative. We're going to have some bullish divergence here on XRP. Let's go on the daily first. What are we doing? Still nothing below 27,911. We called for that a couple days ago. I said, look, we're going to basically go back to this level. Yesterday we were still struggling, right? And 2 days ago we're still struggling to stay above. But we're back below 27,911 and between 26,629. Yesterday we did wick down, hit that area, right? Almost spot on and taking a pop. Have the Bollinger Bands hidden. Let's bring them out. And I hit them because they make the charts look bad sometimes. Look at how the chart changed. Look at when I hide it, how it looks so much better. So the Bollinger Bands do tend to mess around with the way the chart looks, right? So we'll see. Ma Dracum, I look strange. Am I okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Thanks for asking. I'm not sure why I look strange, but I'm here. How am I looking strange, by the way? Thanks for letting me know. Let's go to the 4 hour. High, low, positive, positive, high on our side to lower point. That's fine. Low, high. Sorry, no, low, lower. What is this source here? We did pump a little bit. There we go. All right, this could work for XRP, right? It's starting to create some strong bullish divergence, and that could come accompanied with some potential action to the upside, right? I look fine. Thanks, man. What would I want to hold XRP? I'm not sure, dude. Some people are really into XRP. I look like a normal human. Yeah, I have 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth, and 2 ears, and hair, and a hat. So I do believe I look like a normal human being. Is my third eye showing, dude? I forgot to put makeup on my third eye, man. Is that it? So please tell me the dump is done. I wish. Joshua Dorval. Yeah, rent's already on the list, bro. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 coins after we'll finish Binance. So that's it. Made a Bitcoin. I already looked at Bitcoin, George. It was the first coin. I'm going to look at it later on. Gotta move through the first coins first. And then after I do Binance, I can recap Bitcoin real quick. What? T.tipped 101. What? Well, that's pretty cool, man. Thanks for that awesome tip, man. I really like it. Thanks for that amazing tip, dude. I really, really appreciate it. Bajo, it's going down. I want to go to it in a second, bro. How much is it down? 34? 3,500. Yeah, let me finish XRP. Thanks for letting me know, though. Right? Thanks for keeping me honest and keep on letting me know the charts are moving down, and I can go back and check them out, right? Anyways, there's some strong bullish happening here. It will still happen. If we drop here, we might still be making less negative momentum, and we could try to pump, and that would hold support at 26.69. We'll see when that happens, though. Neutral at 40.61. Thanks, man. Thanks, Joshua. Thanks for being here, man. LRC, sure, Art. We'll put LRC on the list. I don't think I had it yet. Yeah, using the format that Art Ningeok used really helps me out a lot, right? It helps me like go through the stream real quick and the chat and figure out where the requests are. I mean, right now I've been paying a little bit more attention to the chat, but if you use that format, it really helps me out a lot. Anyways, what are we doing on the 1 hour? I told you we had bullish divergence, and we do, right? From here to here. And that's why we got that movement up happening, right? Which is, again, hitting a resistance and pulling back down. So, negative, less negative. Low on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. So with that, again, we have that bullish divergence. It's trying to take a small rally. Sitting at, again, rejecting 27.91. Are we doing something high-low, positive, high on the RSI to a lower point? Nothing bearish, again. You know, moving down at resistance. We felt to be strong enough to hold on to this area. We could say, again, yeah, we might be able to say that we have some hidden bearish here at play. From here to here, and from here to here. And that could be enough for us to hit that resistance and break back down. So again, not super worried. If we drop lower and hit that 26.69 area, look at this. We're going to be coming down to here on the price, right? Right to there. And they'll be going from negative to probably less negative and have some strong bullish divergence for this to pump, right? Yo, how's it going, Derek? Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Someone's worried about something. Someone saying well said. Awesome. Don't worry. Don't panic. Don't FOMO. I try to make this stream as neutral as I can, right? Like, don't overhype. Don't over do anything, right? Don't over FOMO. Don't overhype. Like, it really is the whole goal, to be as neutral as possible and give you guys a very objective opinion onto where the market, might move up or down, and like not go over, like, you can see me here, the market dropping, and I'll still be really cool. And even though I'm holding Bitcoin, I have other things, but yeah, it's fine. I take hits, and it's part of the show, right? You take hits, and if you let your emotions get the best of you when you're trading, you're gonna start making mistakes, because you're gonna end up going on tilt, or you can start fumbling in and out of positions, and you can get really screwed, dude. VXG, great. Well, look at that, man.
Equals 0.21.
What? JK, bro. Thanks so much for that, man. I really appreciate it. Some Litecoin. Thanks for the love, bro. I really, really appreciate that. That tip for almost $30, man. $29.91, dude. I really, really appreciate that, guys. You guys are amazing. I gotta make like different animations for like higher tips. I think I have one for 10 on the dot. If someone tips 10 on the dot, I think like a different animation comes out. And then if you do the other ones, anything above or below, it's just a shark. I still need to like come up with different like cool things for the stream. And again, everything's been happening so quick that I don't have quirky animations for other things. So I really gotta start finding new things to do. Touche, you retract your statement? Why? Dot, yeah, why? Yes, but why? Dot, it's already on the queue, dude. It's gonna be the third coin after Binance. Carthago, how's it going, man? Can I please give you some thoughts on Tether? Sure, man, when we look at Tether. I haven't looked at the lawsuit or anything like that, dude, really. There's a lot of comments out there saying, like, if the Fed can print money, why can't Tether just print money, right? You made 60 trades this weekend. Wow, that is a lot, Boomer. I think you're over trading. I mean, it's fine if you're just taking quick profits, but I do believe that if you did 62 trades on the weekend, you're probably over trading. Watch out, you can get some kind of exhaustion from that and just take a hit. Jake, you're here. Wow. I thought you weren't here, man. I assumed you were asleep, but thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Let's keep it rolling, dude. Why am I looking at Bitcoin? I should be looking at... I went back to Bitcoin. Someone said it was dropping. It's not. It's starting to recover a little bit. XRP also, right? Following Bitcoin, right? Look, green candle. Look, probably Ethereum's also making a slight green candle. Let's check. Yep. Again, everyone is following the leader, right? And the leader is Bitcoin. So we all follow Bitcoin. Yo, did it drop a lot? No, last thing we had was Bearish Divergence. Look, even here, we just called it a couple minutes ago. Because we were in here live, and I said, look, we have Bearish Divergence. Actually, the downside. It wouldn't be weird if we come down here. And guess what we do, right? Look, low, high, low, or more negative momentum. Who knows what we're going to do here. And then low, high, right? Something like that. And have some hidden bullish. Again, that wouldn't be off. And that would kind of like actually something I might be expecting to see. Also on the 30-minute chart, we're definitely making that hidden that we said we might, right? Look, let's go here. What is this high? This is 128.14. These are 129. Again, we still have a lot of time to go, but it's going slightly, like making slightly more negative momentum, right, on the half hour. And guess where we're at here? Slightly higher, right? So again, that hidden divergence that I said we might do, we're starting to make. So it's there. That's it for Bitcoin again. Let me keep on rolling. Let's go to Litecoin. That's the coin we had to check out right now. After that, Binance, and then keep on going through the stuff, right? Again, everyone panics about Bitcoin, right? Alan Fernandez, Argentina. Awesome. Thank you for being here, Alan. Base grind. Awesome. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. If you guys like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate y'all. Tonight's stream goal for subs, it's quite a bit higher. We're sitting at 1,319 when we started. I'm not sure where we're at right now. 1,325. Let's see if we can get like 100 subs. I doubt we're gonna get 100 subs, but if we get 100 subs, it'll be an awesome stream. I'll like go to sleep a happy man. But damn, rental rates on Prime. Yeah, you guys said talk about something else, right? Anyways, yep. Sideways burger on Bitcoin. Yeah, make sure are we on the lettuce part, or are we on the like meat part? You know, let me know, because you said hamburger. Anyways, take a look at Wi-Fi. Sure, man, I can queue up Wi-Fi. So again, trying to move back up on Litecoin, rejecting, right, the previous 100%. That's fine. We rejected it yesterday. We didn't fall lower. We try to go up slightly higher today, but we're failing. We don't have a lot going on here. Again, that same hidden divergence that we had for Ethereum, still here. Neutral at 50.32. So let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. What's happening on the 4-hour chart? High, low, positive, more positive. High on the side to lower point. That last thing we had was bearish divergence. Moved down on that. We didn't create anything bullish up to here. And guess what? We're creating hidden bullish right now. Low, high. Negative, more negative, right? We said we might be able to create this because we had this small island here. You remember when we recapped it last night? Last time we checked out for light, we said, look, we might make more negative momentum. And we're very likely going to be making hidden bullish divergence. That could bring some stalling or sideways motion, right, to Litecoin, or at least a try to reversal happening here. Or some kind of, yeah, we're going to try maybe go up slightly higher. We don't have anything against the RSI, just neutral at 43.21. And with that, again, you know, that remember how we said we're making a triangle for this? Look at this, right? Some kind of triangle happening here, right? Again, I keep on putting this out and deleting them. Actually, I would rather anchor from here. And the touch points are better. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3. So yeah, we're making a triangle. We talked about that yesterday. I was anchoring it from back here, though, right? And I keep on deleting it because I really don't want to have it here. Well, I can see it, right? Sometimes it's fine when you don't know where they are at. But if you look at this graph, the first thing that should pop out, at least in this term or in this time scale that we're looking at, the 4-hour, is that you're kind of making a triangle. How do you know? Look at this. High, low, right? Then a lower high than the previous high, and then a higher low than the previous low, and even the previous low, and then a lower high than the previous high, right? And then a higher low than the previous low, and then a lower high than the previous high, and then a higher low than the previous low. So we are making it a very, very tight triangle. That should really start to pop up as soon as you see a chart. And if you have the Bollinger Bands, it might be harder to see, but you know, it's there. We're below 20. We just reject it. Haven't been talking about the Bollinger Bands a lot today. Have them hidden, but that's fine. I mean, I just look at them basically for volatility and potential resistance at the 20 moving average. So yeah, let's keep it rolling, dude. Neutral at 40, what was it? 43.52. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. High to low, low to high, right? Bearish divergence, hidden. Move down. We're already live here when we had that, so we had rejected the 20. We were like live here last night, so we just kept on dropping, right? There was nothing bullish. That's fine. We might not find anything bullish there. What is opening? 137.42, 137.45, slightly higher. So if you want to do something here, you could say like 0.3 cents, 0.03 cents, or 0.3 cents, 3 cents, let's say, just 3 cents. It's really not a lot. We just say we're doing sideways motion. That would be fine. You would be going from negative to less negative. And you said that you're doing type 2 bullish divergence, and that would come with potential action to the upside, right? So that's what I would be expecting to see here, right? And we did get that small pop, and that's fine. High, low, positive is positive, high on the other side to a lower point. And again, something like what happened with Ethereum, right? Although I would usually like to come up here to the highest point, we could still go from here to here, and that would be completely fine. That would be this spike here. It's high to low, low to high, and that still gives us some hidden bearish for some potential action to the downside. And that is mainly the reason that we're starting to move down, right? That, and adding it to the fact that we are below the previous high of June 2019 at $146, right? So I forgot to anchor something. I'm setting everything up on the 1 hour. That way the charts will be cleaner. Everything, this was here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's such a hard point. Neutral at 42.26, right? Remember, new investors, you only lose if you sell. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you could say that. WRX. It's a tricky thing, right? I do agree that you only lose if you sell, but also if you don't sell, you can go downhill pretty hard. And imagine you're shorting and you can save your money, half of your money, by taking a stop loss, but you actually just drop for life, right? You take it that massive drop, and you go to zero. You lost 100%. You didn't have to sell. I mean, yeah, when people say hold and you only lose if you sell, it's usually when you're on a regular market and you're buying for the long term and you're actually buying the crypto, not longing and shorting. If you long and short and you don't take stop losses, you can lose 100%, right? And you can get liquidated. So just be careful with that. Also, the other part to that is, imagine like your assets going down, right? And you can sell right now. You know it's going to go down lower. And you can probably get in at a better price. So you can preserve some capital right now, exit, and buy back in when it's lower. Thus, you're going to be increasing the amount of coins that you have for that asset, right? And then when it pumps, it's going to take you a lot less of a pump to get out and break even. So again, just consider that. Again, it's two different ideas out there. You can hodl for life, and you only materialize the loss when you sell. That's true. But also, if you don't sell, you can take a massive hit, and it's going to be much harder to recover. Right? Again, just be careful when you guys trade. Have a strategy. Set up stop losses. That's what stop losses are there for, right? That's the amount of hit that you're willing to take. Not correcting you, Joshua. I'm just saying, some stuff that's out there, dude. A lot of people say that, and I agree. You only materialize the loss when you take when you cash out, because you're really now materializing that down movement to an actual hit on your income that you put in before you started your position, right? So if you start with $100, it goes down 50%, and you cash out, you lost $50. But if you get out at 75% and drops to 25%, right, and you still have $75 and you can buy it at 25, you're gonna get 3 times that, right? Instead of the one you bought at 100. So now you have 3, so it needs to go up very little for you to recover to 100%. So just be careful. Again, don't do your own research, guys. Have a trading strategy, have a plan, have stop losses. That's what they're there for, right? That's the amount of hit that you're willing to take. You're gonna enter position. You're taking some risk because you're looking at potential upside, but you also have to consider the downside. That's the risk that you're willing to take for your money. And a lot of people use 5% in traditional stocks, maybe 10% on crypto, 11 to 12% on crypto wouldn't be bad, because we know crypto drops 10% and then pumps, right? So if you get liquid, if you stop and you put a stop loss and it drops 12%, and then you still see Bitcoin dropping more, and you can try to catch that bottom, because we know that massive drops over 15% on a candle do come with pushback or pullback. You can buy back in at the bottom and try to ride back up your position, and maybe your hit isn't that bad, right? So again, there's a lot of ways to looking at trading. Just have a strategy for yourself, and you don't go to war with a gun, right? Your strategy is your ammunition, right? So if you don't have a strategy, you're just gonna get screwed. Let's keep on going. Litecoin again. Not doing a lot right now on the 1 hour. Just moving down in that bearish divergence. Again, hidden bearish, medium bullish, Trump's hidden bearish. So there's a chance that if this fails to drop lower than the previous low, we could be looking for a potential pump. Is it going to be higher than the previous high? Don't know yet. But we're at least looking for some action to the upside. Might hit the 20 at 141.93, right? Wouldn't be a weird target to go for. And we could still be consolidating in this triangle that we had on the 4 hour, right? On that note, let me go back to Binance. Someone open the door. Give me one quick second, guys. I think my wife might need something. Yo guys, thanks for being here and sticking with me through that small intermission. My daughter was going to open the door and my wife caught her right as soon as she was opening, so they struggled for the door for a little bit. So I just went out to make sure everything was fine, right? It wasn't the wife, it was the daughter that wanted to open the door. Yo, let's keep it going, dude. Dude, we hit target. What? That's so cool. We hit the mic target. That's awesome, dudes. I can now get a mic. A new mic. A better mic. Now, it's a mouse target, right? I need a mouse because people keep on complaining about my clicking mouse. So, everything that I buy on the stream with the tips, it's to improve the quality of the stream. I don't spend it on frivolous things. I do want to have you guys have the best experience. So, audio is a big part of this. I already have a camera that's 1080p, so I don't need a camera right now. I do want to get better audio for the stream. And then I know you're going to hear the mouse a lot more. So I do want to get something else. A lot of people complain about it. I know. I might still have 2 mouses, right? Some people were telling me that the mouse sounds weird. And, it's fine. I mean, I don't mind it. Some people do. I'm not sure, dude. I might get a new mic. A new mouse. Right, so look at this. Again, be careful with this. We're starting to make this new positive momentum island. Right, even though we're going red, we're making positive momentum. So right now what we have is we're going higher and we're coming lower. So we're creating strong bearish divergence. And not only do we have this on the MACD, we also have it against the RSI. So there's a double chance, right? A double. We have it on both indicators, so a bigger chance of it going down. Not double chance, but a bigger chance of it going down, right? So yeah, just watch out for that. You actually like the sound of my mouse, right? I'm not sure, dude. Some people complain about it, so I thought a new mouse might be better for the stream. Higher. What is this? 313, 331. Slightly higher, and also higher here, right? So nothing bearish. We did have this bearish divergence. We did move down, hit that 20 at support. That right, we called for this when we were here live yesterday at 9 p.m. Came down here, found support, taking a bounce, going higher. Again, great stuff there. Nothing off, neutral. Sorry, bought at 64.27 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. G-Co from the G from the CO. Cool, man. We haven't done it yet. We haven't looked at it. So Dougie's not even on the list right now. We can put it on the list. If you guys like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, alright? Joshua Wall says he wants everyone to profit. That's pretty cool. I want everyone to profit as well. High, higher, positive, high, there's such a higher high, right? Even from here, high, higher, and then here, the high is 73.05, 72. Wow, no, it's actually slightly lower. That's trippy. It looks as if it was a little bit higher when I was looking at it the first time. Right, that's why sometimes it's good to check the data, right? 73.05, 72.96. Again, very, very close. But still coming slightly lower. So that would indicate some hidden bearish divergence, right? Actually to the downside. Now did we go higher? Very slightly, right? Look at this. High and then slightly higher. So slightly higher. Right. Is this all in the 1 hour? Did I forget to anchor? Yeah, it wanted to go on the daily. Look at that. It's not good. When it wants to go on the daily, not good, man. Not good because then it screws up my daily when I check it out, right? So Binance is having strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Neutral at 56.61. And again, not looking super bad, right? What are the top 5 cryptos? Look, they change all the time. We can always go to CoinMarketCap and see how they're ranked right now. I usually look at the first 5 I look at is Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and Binance. Although, they keep on flipping and switching now, particularly with the bull market and XRP failing to perform and other projects also failing to perform. So right now it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, I'm going to skip, DOT, XRP, Cardano, right? So those be the, or even Litecoin. So you could go, yeah, if we skip Tether and XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, DOT, Cardano, and Litecoin, right? So those would be the top 5. Tether, skip it because it's a stable coin. XRP is really failing to perform. It's there, but, really not performing to its best potential. Cardboard Candy made 1,400 this weekend. That's pretty good, man, because there's been swings in that triangle that we're in, right? The highs to the lows. So if you're trading that's pretty good, right? But it's stagnating a little bit now, right? We're seeing a little bit less wild swings. So we'll see how that breaks. Head and shoulders XLM. I'm not sure until we get to XLM, bro. I'm not sure if it's even queued. Has anyone queued XLM? Nope, XLM hasn't been queued. What? It's on the queue now. So it's like coin 19 or something like that. Let's keep rolling, dude. Again, Binance. Bearish divergence moving down. Might go for that 20. That 20 being at $44.32. We did get to a high of $47. Did we hit a new all-time high here? Let's take this on the 4 hour, dude. Did we hit a new all-time high? We did. Wow. That's pretty wild, right? Binance hitting a new all-time high yesterday at 47.73. Yeah, that's pretty wild, right? We haven't looked at that. Right, that's pretty cool. And again, this 3-1, 3-2, right? We already checked. I just want to double check here. So again, moving down slightly. $45.33. Again, great stuff happening there. Trix Lanco. Can you said surely we go down? What? I don't get what you mean. What do you want me to say? I don't get it, Trix. Let me know. Cardano lays zip. Sure, Raz J. When we get to Cardano, it's actually cute. It's gonna be the next coin I do. Because, you know, guys, there is a queue, right? There's a queue. It's there. It's listed. We go through it. And just gotta wait for the coins to come up, right? So Bitcoin at 34K. No, 35. So don't say 34K because we're not there, right? What's up, Joshua? I feel comfortable promoting someone else's on my channel. I'm not sure. What do you need? Let me know in the Discord. Yeah, cryptos. I know I knew if it was the XRP and all that, right? Jake made a poll. let me. I'll see the outcome, dude. Can I see the outcome? I'm gonna go there, man. I'm gonna open it on the side. I'll have it open just to see where the poll is. We're gonna start doing the alts right now, so give me a quick second, right? I can't see the results. That was weird. I thought if I voted, it was going to show me the results, but it's not. XRP wrecked? Yeah, XRP is failing to perform. We already established that. A lot of people have asked if XRP is a good investment. I told you guys to wait maybe for some news to happen. Again, you can make money on all the cryptos while that happens, right? You don't have to be married to a project. Yeah, on the Discord, man. Just tell her to go on the Discord and we can talk about that, right? Trading do's and don'ts. Yeah, interesting. You changed it? All right. I think I closed it, so... I don't have our resistance at 35,200, dude. I don't think I have resistance there, dude. I'll have to check it out. Once I get the recap to Bitcoin, man, I'll check it out. That'll be around 11, so in like 40 minutes or so. Right? No, it doesn't show, dude. It just says easy pulse. Thank you for voting. That's it. I reload. Doesn't show the results. Thank you for voting. I cannot see it, Jake. Send me an image on the Discord once the voting is done, so... Yeah, Cardano should be a long player. Apparently supposed to have a lot of good stuff happening this year. Steve, or ADA Evangelist, will talk to you about it. You'll close the poll? Alright, cool. Right on. Let's keep it rolling, right? That's it for Binance. Let's go check out ADA, dude. That's the next coin. ADA at 37.60. What's it doing, man? Someone said it took a dump. It's not taking a massive dump. Again, you know. It's fine. We had divergence. We moved down on that. We probably even moved down throughout the day today and then took a pop. So we might have created some bullish divergence. But guess what? We still have strong bearish divergence here, and we're just moving it to the channels, right? We call for a potential retest of 33 something. We got back above 37.02 and trying to get above that 0.4 cent mark. We also talked about what could happen, right? All this was discussed yesterday. We're bought at 72.05. Let's go to the 4-hour. High higher, positive, more positive, high on their side to higher point. Look, now short term, we're starting to create bearish divergence. High higher. And this is part of the reason that's starting to stagnate and try to kiss and hold on to that 37.51, right? So, hello, hello. Let's go to the, do we have anything else? Nope. Low, high, negative, low, negative, low on their side to a higher point. Ober just bought at 62.54. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, donators have extra Discord perks, so let us know if you donated. Yeah, Steve, someone was asking about ADA. They're hearing a lot about ADA and whether or not it was good. I think it was William Shoemaker that was saying that he's hearing a lot about Cardano, so... I'm not sure, man. All right. Cardano trying to go and bounce from 37.02. Hitting the 20, trying to get above it right now. That's fine. Look, we had bearish divergence when we were here, right? At 7. We were here live at 9. And we talked about the movement down, right? Great. Guess what we did? Hitting bullish. Right? At support. Near the 20. Hitting bullish divergence. Action to the upside. See, I told you. Without even looking at the charts. I haven't looked at charts all day, but, you know, I guess more or less what's going to happen because it was very obvious that we went down after we called divergence to the downside, and we're starting to go up is because we created something bullish. Look at that, bullishly going back up, flirting with this area for a little bit, right? Resisting, holding on to the 20 again as support, and then really just bursting through. So high, higher, look, still creating strong bearish divergence right now. High, higher, high, positive, less positive, high on the other side to a lower point, strong bearish divergence, moving down, again, finding support at 37.02, low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to lower point, hidden bullish against the RSI, right? And it could be the reason that it's holding support, right? Hidden bullish at a support could be catalyst for action to the upside. Now the question is whether or not we're going to get higher than the previous high. And the way of thinking about this is if we get higher than the previous high, bullish continuation, right? And we could try to go to the 40 cents. But if we fail to go higher than the previous high, very likely retest of the 20 and very likely retest of 37.02. And if we break that area, maybe you're going to try to retest 33.88, right? That's where the moves to the downside and the downside. Now you know where it could go. That's it for Cardano. First request done. Link. A lot of people want to know about Zelda for some reason. Yeah, Trix, Wi-Fi's been requested. I'm just going to check it out later on, dude, right? Let's see if Jake sent me the link to that. No, someone sent me something. It's time for your content. Starting to see the pattern every day. Just tips 5 as a sign of appreciation. Thank you, dude. Again, when I'm on the stream, I'm rarely looking at things here on the Discord. So yeah, I just every now and then just go, like for example right now that Jake's running a poll. I just want to make sure whether or not poll is closed, but I'm not getting the results, Jake. It says poll's closed, so I can't see it. Votes. Oh wow, a lot of people do think I should get a mic. 5 people said yes, 3 people said no. A lot of people didn't give a damn about my mouse. Zelda? Yeah, Link, dude. Remember, Link's a character in Zelda. That's why I said a lot of people want to know about Zelda. Right on, dude. 200 people in the house. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button, the sub. Again, this is an awesome channel. We're building an awesome community, and you are all part of it. Korean about to decide. Jake already closed it. He was spamming it on the chart a while back, so I'm not sure how far back you guys are in the chat, but yo. Oh, he was posting it consistently for a bit, so. Right. Link. High, higher, positive, or positive on this. Higher, higher. Let's go to the daily first. Then we'll come back here. Look, we had bearish divergence move down. Had a target here on a, I think a double bottom that someone mentioned, and we checked, and we did realize that we have it. So, you know, I'm going to get rid of this on this time scale. So don't want to see it here. There we go. This is from the 1 hour or the 4 hour, very likely. The 1 hour. See, that's why I don't like to forget to anchor. Because when I forget to anchor, things come over into this time scale, or this time frame, and it just makes it horrible, right? So, send all that to the 1 hour. Again, look, we had bearish divergence. Do we still have it now? Let's see. 7.229, 7.192, still slightly lower. We're still going higher. Again, from here, I already played. Moved it down slightly. Found support at the previous 100%, right? From, what was recent? This one was recent, dude. This was over here in August. 2020, and I said if we find support there we could pop, and we did pop, right? So again, that was part of the calls that we made, and finding support there was key. We did break below it slightly in the 1 hour. It might have candles below that area, but it's all good right now, right? Higher positive, right? Everything else is fine here on the daily. So I just bought at 68.50. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. SNX USD. Sure, bro. Why not? Remember the bottom we had a target, butt cheeks we made. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to higher, high. Now we're coming still higher now, right? And look at this, very nice, holding on to that previous high as support. So we did talk about this yesterday, so just keep that in mind, right? Holding support there was going to be good if to get a bounce, right? And that's very, very nice that we made that. So I like that on Link. But now we have strong bearish divergence that could really bring price action to the downside. Primary target right now would be the 20 moving average, and if we break there, we have the 20 buck mark or 19 and change to look forward to, and on a moving down, right? Leon LSB, thoughts for Tuesday morning on Mara? Not sure. What did Bitcoin close at Friday when the market stopped, and where is it at right now? If you see that Bitcoin is lower, then Mara very likely will go down. If you see that Bitcoin's up, then Mara will very likely go up. Again, Mara is Bitcoin dependent. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, underside, higher point. Nothing here. Bought at 63.38. Let's go to the 1 hour. Look in the 1 hour, right? We had divergence here. Hidden bullish. And it played us to the upside. We hit the 20, right? That would have been the target. Moving down, finding support. We were here, and I remember calling for this support. I told you guys that very likely we could come down here and create this divergence, right? Strong bullish. You remember that? Because we talked about it yesterday. I remember going over it a couple times for a couple projects, and this was one of them. We had strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, took that nice pop, high, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point, but not from back here. I do believe from back here we're still making divergence. 73.64, 71. So look from here, going high, higher. High, higher, high, and then high on the other side to a lower point. So we're starting to create that hidden bearish divergence. Actually, to the downside, we moved down. We've hit the 20. We're trying to find support. That's okay for this right now. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to a higher, high. If we lose the 20, we could be looking for another retest of 20 bucks. If we hold on to it, we could be looking for a pump. So great. What? Dude, Joshua, that's pretty tight, man. Frederick, do I only take crypto? No, I also trade stocks. I do day trading, though, for stocks. And sometimes swing trading as well. That's pretty cool that your Bitcoin position paid for your masters and your sons. That's... congrats. Crypto changing lives. I agree. I don't like Ichimoku Cloud, dude. It's fine. I just don't like it for my trading style. Yeah, no worries, Joshua. I mean, everyone has their own style, right? Like, did you miss Algo? We haven't done Algo yet. I think no one's requested it. Camps North. That's going to go on the list. So, don't name your kids after me. Thank you. For me, Ichimoku Cloud, yeah, it works, but I just don't like it, dude. It's not really on my trading style, right? I like what I do. It works for me. We've been fairly accurate with the calls we've made, so you know you can judge by yourself. So for me, Ichimoku Cloud, it works, but you know it's not really my cup of tea. A lot of people like it. That's fine. It works for a lot of people. It works perfectly for a lot of people. Just for me, it's not really what I like, right? So, yeah. It has their own trading style, right? So bearish divergence moving down. Again, we didn't even have this on like yesterday, and we were already talking about that possibility, right? So we knew there was a chance that this was going to play out. If you were seeing it drop more, we're going to create that bullish divergence and try to pop, right? So that was really, really clear yesterday. All right, so good stuff there with Link. That's it for Link. Let's go to Dot. Dot. What are we doing, man? The female Animaniac coin, right? Wasn't she Dot? Like, what was it, like Jacko, Wacko, and Dot, or whatever the names were. Hello, nerds. Where's Dot at? Here it is. I remember watching that cartoon a lot when I was a kid. That's where Pinky the Brain came from, actually. Interesting, right? Look, here is one of those things that we were looking for divergence. It didn't play out. That's fine. Just went higher. No worries, right? But guess what? From here, this actually have to anchor to there and that anchor to there, and we still have that strong bearish divergence. So we just go there, right? Potential action to the downside against bearish divergence against the RSI. We just lost it against the MACD. We're just keeping it against RSI. Why did I re-anchor to here? I didn't want to have data going and crossing one another. I actually don't like it when the charts look messy. But right now I had to do it because this is the highest point and this is the lowest point. So the line should really just go from here to here, right? From low to high. Overbought at 74.11. Where are we at, dude? We're rejecting some fib node. The 3618. Great. Remember how went above this area, then we rejected briefly at 2618. Now we're above the 3618, which is pretty cool. Next target up, if we manage to move up, would be the 4618 at 2394. Again, it's just moving through its areas, right? Right now it's 17.26. Nothing else here. Let's go to the 4 hour. Pain the Brain produced by what? Spielberg, yeah. So were the Animaniacs. Jake said something. I was talking to someone else. A lot of stuff happening in the chat. Guys, if you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and sub, right? Let's keep it rolling. Alright, so what do we have here? We still created that bearish divergence. We just meant to pump a little bit more. We're still coming in lower here. And also still coming in lower here again. You know, we called it to here because that's where we had it. But again, if you keep on tracking it, you know, that's fine. We hit resistance at the, what do we call this? The 3618. Now we're going lower. We're cradling it a little bit. Not sure if this is the consolidation we want to get. We would love for this to just come down, hit that 20 and pop. This kind of curvature sometimes breaks down, and we see it happen, right? Look at this. We curved here, curved again, and then just broke down. It's better if like move down slightly and then break, right? So we might be running out of steam here on Dot on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, sorry. What is this? 193.12. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, nerves at a higher point. Bought at 69.05. That's it, right? That strong bearish divergence still there. So the 1 hour chart. Yeah. Look, we had the bearish divergence, move down slightly. That's fine. Then we took a pop, right? And that's great. So if we would have kept on tracking, we would have gotten rid of it. But within the same island, we're starting to create that strong bearish divergence. Look, high, higher. So here it already played down, right? It did play down to on the move. That's fine. You just keep on tracking, you get rid of it. The move happened here, and high low. Strong, we don't have it against RSI. We're going higher. So strong bearish divergence, action to the downside, and moving down on that, right? Now, are we doing some hidden bullish? I think we might. Yeah, we are. They're very definitely doing some hidden bullish. This is all in the 1 hour. Am I anchoring properly? Yeah. Right. So negative, more negative momentum as we go from a low to a higher low. We don't have that against the RSI. We're just against the MACD, and that would be hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. We're not hit the 20 rejected, and that small move, this small move, will create some strong bullish divergence against the MACD, right? So negative, less negative. So with that, potential action to the upside again, taking a pop, but failing to go higher than the previous high again, and just failing to perform right now, right? It's failing to really trigger that bullish divergence. So again, that's part of the reason that I'm looking at this and say, look, we're above the 20 right now. We could go for a pop and get again to this $19 mark, $19.20. But it looks a little bit like it's running out of steam. You know, it could just be that we're consolidating this level before we move again, and that would be fine. Right, again, we're above the 20, trying to hold the support there. We don't have anything bearish going on right now. High, low, high, low, positive, high, low on the RSI. Positive is positive, right? So everything here looks good. Maybe the half hour might have something for Dot. Again, I rarely come here to look at data, but Interested on this one actually. So it has some bearish divergence hidden against the RSI, right? And against the MACD, I do believe it might be cool. Nope. Same thing. Low and high, right? So we do have that hidden bearish moving us down. Again, that wasn't showing on the 1 hour, right? It wasn't showing here. We're moving down, finding support there. Let's go to the 30-minute again. I want to see if we have something bullish, but I don't think low, high. Negative, less negative, low on there. So the hard point. Neutral at 49.19. That's it, dude. We'll go and look at the next coin. That's it for DOT, right? We've already talked potentials for that. So DVT, man. Yo, DVT, where's it at, man? How much is it worth today? 1,368. It moved down a little bit. 3.8 sats. Great. It did get to 4.6 yesterday. That was pretty wild. That was around 1, 2 in the morning. That's very nice. So yeah, this project is good. Let's get the MACD and the RSI out here. We had bearish divergence, remember? We talked about that for DVT, but again, I cannot save the data on my chart, right? Because this is on an exchange, and the data gets deleted every day. So when I come in the next day, everything I drew on the chart is no longer there. So I stopped really just saving the data to it. I couldn't save the data to it, so I just, like, you know, let it go. All right, so look, higher, right? We're coming up higher. Right, up higher there. It's not letting me place it. There we go. And then here we're coming lower, right? And also here we're coming lower. So strong bearish divergence. Actually, the downside. It's moving down slightly. But guess what we're creating here? Hidden bullish. Low, high. Negative, more negative, right? And low on the RSI. Low to a lower low, right? Right here. And that's what I'm looking at right now, right? That hidden bullish divergence that could bring stagnation, which we're getting, or potential action to the upside. So again, this is all just one flat line, right? Again, this still going there, and this still just going there. So again, some hidden bullish there. Very nice for DVT. That means it could try to go on another rally, or at least stagnate around 3.8 to 4.0 sats. That'll be fine. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, we already discussed that one. Bitcoin can probably go to like 100, over 100,000. I don't like long-term targets. We discussed probably getting even to 320,000. Much rather focus on short-term targets, right? I do believe on like the whole aim small, miss small thing, particularly in trading. If you go for wild targets, you know, you could be in for some trouble, right? Particularly because there's so many unknowns throughout the year that can affect Bitcoin, right? Like, think about it: geopolitical tension, like, you know, things like COVID happening. All these things can affect indirectly the price of Bitcoin. Do we know whether or not there's going to be some weird thing happening throughout the year that might tank Bitcoin? No. Do we know there's something that's going to happen throughout the year on the geopolitical scale that's going to make Bitcoin go insanely high? No, we don't, right? So there's unknowns that, you know, if you just look at technicals and say, yeah, it could get there, right? But there's so many unknowns that are really just rather focused on short-term goals and, you know, leave the long-term goals out of the picture. This is my way of thought on this, right? You could look for a long-term outlook. That's fine. It could get there someday, right? Some people say Bitcoin to $1 million. It could get there. But, you know, we don't know when, right? It could be a target. So, something on the Discord. Someone's pinging me. What's going on here? Yep. Jake said something. I was checking it out. VT. Sure, bro. I'll write that one down. We haven't looked at VT. It's not queued yet. Thank you, Julian29. I'll put DVT on the list, man. What time should you come back for Algo? Dude, I'm not sure. Algo is a long way down the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's the 16th coin, dude, on the list from after DVT. So, yeah. I'm sorry about that, bro. There's just a lot of people queued up a lot of stuff before you came in, man. If you want, who was it? Cam So North. If you want, you can send a tip, and I could skip it on the queue. Right? That's how I'm doing it now. So there is a queue. You all know that. I show it live. There's usually no skipping it, but if someone tips yeah, we can queue that coin right after the one we're doing, right? So yeah, I'm trying to be as fair as I can. But if you're really desperate and like you really want to hook me up, and I can hook you up with the time as well, that could work, right? Otherwise, if you don't mind queuing, that's fine, right? This is a free stream, so you guys can also chill while you do the coin. Spotify ads in the house. 290. I don't mind Spotify ads because I can only play copyright-free music, so I don't really see the advantage of paying for Spotify. Great, so let's keep it rolling, dude. The vault again. We were looking for some bearish divergence here, or some bullish divergence here. Right? It just looks like the lower, but we have strong bearish divergence section to the downside, and we have the same hidden bullish, right? Low, high. Negative, more negative, right? So with that, we have potential for action to the upside. Strong, hidden bullish divergence against the MACD on the vault. So let's go on the daily. On the daily, we were cool, right? We're going higher, positive, more positive, high under such a higher point. Everything was good here. Again, this is moving and consolidating on stuff that's happening on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So that's pretty good. What? Yeah, but Korean bad size, right? You learn about the other coins, and yep. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button and stuff. I want to keep on moving through the stream. Let's go to the next coin. RSR, dude. RSR, where's it at? RSR at 4 cents. Again, not moved a lot, right? I told you guys yesterday it wasn't really moving a lot. It did drop a little bit, managed to recover. It hit that 236. That's fine. Managed to get above that 382 again and rejected the 50 already. So, it's just moving sideways for me. I told you guys I'm not worried about it. It's been around every day I've looked at this for the last couple of days. It's just being hitting that 4-cent mark. So a little bit higher, a little bit lower, but it's around 4 cents. And it's fine. Again, my entry here. I took a massive hit. I wrote it down because I didn't follow my strategy. It happens to me as well. Sometimes, I get hot-headed. And I let the news get the best of me, and I do believe that's going to go up on news. And you know what? You end up getting shafted. And then, by the time I went to exit, it was already 50% lower. I didn't exit here at 10%, right? I went in on this green line here. Took a massive hit. I wrote it down. I exited here a little, exit here a little, exit here a little. Then I added a little bit more on the small retrace, and then, I'm writing it up. But, I'm more or less near the same entry level. So for me, just saying that I'm still on the green at 3.1, it's more or less very accurate. So on that note, let's go to the 4 hour chart. Yo, Boomer, you're still in RSR. You got to get out of that coin, man. We need to pump, man. We need to pump it. You need to get out of it, man. Because Boomer says that all coins pump as soon as he leaves. So low, high, positive, more positive, high, there, such a high, that's fine. Low, high, negative, more or less more negative. I'm not sure, dude. Doesn't look too hot here, right? Right. Higher, negative, less negative, low, and there, such a higher point. Neutral, 48.92. Again, not really doing a lot right now. Let's go to the 1 hour. Do we have something here? Nope, we didn't have anything yesterday either, man. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, there's a lower point. Now here, I do want to check it out because I do believe we might be creating some divergence now. Finally, we are some hidden bullish. Great. How do we know? Well, is this low, higher, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. So that means potential of reversal or stalling. Doing that reversal, again above that 382, then hitting that 50 and rejecting. High, low, positive, less positive, high on the RSI to a lower point. Nothing that is super bearish here. Just short term, we have this slanted bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Neutral at 46.56. That's it for RSR. Now let's go to GRT, the graph. A lot of people love the graph for some reason. Went down yesterday a little bit when we were live. I'm not sure if it pumped again. I think even Korean bot side told me that after I called and moved down, it went down 5%. So I'm not sure where the graph is at. I didn't look at it today, man. Do we pump? Yeah, we're pumping right now. Great. So yesterday we didn't manage to do a lot. Oh, this is the hour, sorry. Did we do something yesterday? Yeah, we pumped yesterday. Great. We did come down again. Probably found some support, yeah, at 39. We did call that move, right? We called for 39 hit. I'm not sure we had done that by the time we were in the stream or not, but we'll check it out in a second. Then we pump up again. Pumping up higher. Great. We have resistance at 55. Awesome. The graph, it's not doing that bad. Nothing on the daily, though. 4 hour. We're live here. We're live here. So we came down, right, on divergence, right, a lot. Then we pumped. So maybe the 1 hour. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side, higher point. Let's go here. 74, 75, slightly higher. 0.0117, 0.120. Yep, so also slightly higher. We're going to go with anything here on the 4 hour. Let's go to 1 hour on the graph. We had bearish divergence here, and then we broke down, right? Look at that. Nice. So we knew there was a chance that we could break down. Breaking down on that. Awesome. Right? That just, you know, it's one of those things that because we had it, we lost it. So the half hour might have this divergence. Right here, look. Boom. 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 Breaking down on that. Right? So we had it. We lost it. That's fine. Move down. Low, high, negative, more negative, hidden bullish. See, I told you we created something. And that just happened around 1 in the morning. We just didn't come back to the graph afterwards, right? That's fine. Negative, more negative. Also lower on the RSI. Some of that hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Going higher, positive, more positive, high on the RSI to a higher point. High, higher here as well. Nothing wrong here. Maybe the half hour might have something, right? Then low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. Bought at 65.74. Not a lot happening here. And let's go to the half hour, man. See what's happening there. By the way, guys, if you like the stream, hit the like button, sub. And if you really enjoy what we do here, and you believe that it could be of use to your family members, your friends, you know, whomever, let them know that we are here, man. We really want to grow this channel. I'm really pumped about it. You know, y'all bring a lot of energy into it. And the more of you that are here, the more energy that I get also, which makes it really cool. So, if you bring your friends, they might want to know about crypto. You don't know where to point them at. Tell them to go over and check out the channel, right? We're really, really cool here. And I don't mind explaining things. You know that. So, help me grow the channel. That'll be awesome. We're a community. Thank you, Danny. Yeah, let's keep it rolling. The half hour. Did we do something? Higher, higher, higher? No, everything was good here. Higher, low, negative, less negative, lower, higher. We don't have anything here. We're just on this channel, right? 55 to 51. So again, you know, I like the fact that we have good supports and good resistances traced. Because we know they hold, right? And we've tested them plenty of times. This one we hadn't tested a lot. And the last time I drew this one, it was probably way back. So, just, you know, it hadn't been at this level since back here. And, you know, we don't have a lot of data. So I was assuming, based on some touch points that we had, that those were going to be areas of support and resistance, and we're hitting them. Now, do we have something else going higher? Maybe. I would need to look back here and see what else we could have. I wasn't really worried about tracing more things to the upside because we really didn't have a lot of things going on there. But there might be something around this area more or less. I'll tell you why. Look, we're holding support here, sort of. We're rejecting here. Rejecting this area again. And here we're very close to it and rejecting, right? I don't like it too much. We don't have the cleanest hits. But again, it doesn't have a lot of history, right? Also, we rejected here, so that could be something. Also, this area might be some support resistance. Not sure about that one yet. Maybe here we do have something, Look, we support it, and then resist it, right? And here we also resist it. So, again, not a lot of history up here, right? Like 3-4 touch points that we call on. But that's usually how I look for supports, horizontals, right? I look at areas where it is hit and rejected and try to get to where we're at and see if we can make it match with things that are happening in the future, right? Again, we look at the past to try to predict the future. So that's it for graph. Again, not a lot happening, nothing bearish right now. So it's cool. I'm happy for it. If you're in the graph, congrats. haven't really gotten into that project, right? It's not like my cup of tea right now. Ren, next coin. You have to graph at 0.1. So maybe that's pretty good, man. That's wild. Congrats. Let's go check out Ren, man. Again, getting above its previous high. That's fine. We didn't have anything on the daily. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on their side to hard point. Overbought at 77.34. The only thing it has right now that is bad is that's overbought. We got above the previous high of 100%. We're coming back, testing that support. That's fine, and we're rejecting it, so that's very, very good. Setting at 61.35. Let's go to the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, we had bearish divergence. We moved down with that. That's great. We came close to a 20. Right, took a pop. Guess what? That tracks onto there. That tracks onto there, right, and that just tracks onto there. So I already played here slightly, and we still have that strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside, and probably the reason that we're failing to go higher. This really needs to come down and find support at the 20 before it pops again. That would be really good for it. Bought at 64.04. So again, bearish divergence usually means action to the downside. I don't see anything bullish here, right? Everything's going higher, everything's fine. If you look at something else here and you want to say, look, dude, we're in an upsloping channel. It's very steep. I would agree with you 100%. I don't mind saying that we're in a very steep upsloping channel, something like that, right? Not the best touch points. I might have to re-anchor from the top, maybe, instead of anchoring from the bottom. But, you know, give me 1 second, we'll do that, right? So this one I might be looking at, right? So check out dust touch points there, right? So this touch point's there, and then let's see if we can match it on the bottom to something. Maybe something like that. Yeah, resistance, resistance, right? Support. Resistance, support, support. Look, we're still an upsloping channel, right? That's the main thing for it. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we have? Bearish divergence. Right? Action to downside. Move down. Found support at the 20. Taking a pop. Dropping low again. We weren't creating anything here yesterday, right? Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on their side to higher point. Everything was good. It just kept on climbing, right? So it's fine. Now, did we create bearish divergence here? It looks like we were creating bearish divergence. We are. Had a low, right? And then we might also be creating some here. I'm just gonna leave it here. I'll check it out. I'll check them out here now. We are great. So high, higher, high, then high and still higher, higher. So with that, we have that bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. We don't have it against the RSI on the first part, but we do have it against the RSI on that second part. And again, part of the reason that we're moving down, close to support to the previous 100%, right? Which again could bring support before we try to do something. Rejecting the 20 right now, not super hot, but you know we do have this midline also that we could look for as support if we broke below the previous high, around 60 cents, right, or 60.1 cents. So very good for Ren. Again, not looking too bad, dude. Ren still managing to move up, still bullish. So again, remember, during the bull market, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. We've said that plenty of times, so I really hope you guys like that, right? Yeah, no problem, Joshua. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Now, WRX. A lot of people into WRX. That's pretty cool. We'll do WRX now. I did something I didn't want to do. I want to look at this one. I opened a stock WRX instead of the coin WRX. Isn't that freaking weird? Have we not looked at WRX before in this channel? Maybe not. I don't seem to have anything open for that. So, at 9.1 cents, almost 10 cents. Not too bad. Let's check it out. Let's see what's doing to it, right? Wi-Fi, sure, Tricks, Lanka. Wi-Fi's already on the list. It's just after WRX, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins, right? That will be the 6th coin after this one. So thank you for being here. Thank you for letting me know what you guys want to look at. It's really cool that you guys are here again. And I really appreciate y'all for the awesome support you give me and for being here. So if you like what we do, hit like the bell and sub. Right, let's see. Higher, positive, high on there. So the heart point. Now, short term, we're starting to create strong bearish divergence here on the daily, right? So higher. Come on, work with me. There we go. High to low, and then also high to low here, right? Previous song's name? Dude, I'm not sure, man. Let me go back and see if it plays it, dude. This one's Tiny Giant. I'm listening at String Beats by Harris Heller. So if you know Alpha Gaming, he made this awesome curated list that people can play freely. And I'm looking at the EDM. I'm listening to the EDM. He has hip hop. He has other ones, but it's pretty cool, right? Bond yields. I haven't looked at bond yields in a while, dude. But yeah, we can look at bond yields. What years do you want? Like 10-year bonds or something like that? Let me know. Any more than Silica? We haven't looked at Silica. No one's requested it today. So I'll go on the list, I guess. Right, so let's keep it rolling. Again, bearish divergence, potential moving down. Bought at 66 points. And then again, I really don't care about what happened in the past. I just care about what's going to happen now. High, low, positive. Right, what's going on here? Let's go more short term because I don't see anything from back there. More positive. Higher and lower, maybe? Let's zoom in here. Slightly higher, I think. 51270. 5-1, 5-1-2, 5-1, 5-2-2. Right, so slightly higher. We're also higher, right? Nothing here that is bearish. We have something here. Low, high, negative, point, that's fine. High, low, positive, less positive. Nothing bearish right now in the 4 hours. I'm not going to force anything here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart for WRX. Huh, yeah. He's gonna say excellent. Yeah, it's a pretty interesting portfolio, bro. Let's see. Low, lower, negative. Less negative. Some strong bullish divergence here on WRX, right? Right, slightly lower here on the RSI, so nothing there. We have that strong bullish, taking that small pop, higher, positive, less positive, right? So right there, we create some strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. Now let's move down. Great. We also have it against the RSI. Awesome. Strong bearish divergence running the party. Low, high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish, right? Hidden bullish divergence, taking another pop. And we also have it here, 38.25 and 37. Yes, we also have it here. Great. Well, lower, right? Some hidden bullish, taking that new pop. Obviously high, higher, positive, more positive. High on there, side to higher point in short term, coming up higher, higher, and higher. Bought at 62.73. So again, not too bad. It doesn't have anything bearish right now. There should not be anything breaking it down. Just, you know, if it wanted to come down and hit the 20, it'll be fine. If it wanted to go up, that would be fine. It really doesn't have anything bearish right there. So it is pretty cool. Half hour might have something here that could give us an indicator as to whether or not we could be breaking down. 493.47. Right, we're going slightly lower here. And again, this is just like going and looking for like the peanuts, right? Like when we don't find anything and we really want to know what could happen, again, just go to a shorter time scale. We have that bearish divergence. We might also have it here, 71.16 71.16. It's here just going sideways, right? So again, against the RSI, you're making weak bearish divergence. Against the MACD, you have strong bearish divergence. Price action downside, move down very close to a 20. Now we're trying to take a pop. We don't have anything bullish building. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low on the RSI to a higher point. So again, it's doing fine. It's nothing wrong with WRX right now, right? It could pump again. I mean, it has the bearish divergence on the half hour. It means action to the downside. We move down. It looks like we want to find support at the 20. We could try to go for that 20 again, find support and pump. If not, we could be looking for again, a drop. But I doubt, I'm not sure if we're going to drop right now. It looks bullish enough to, try to go slightly higher again. Maybe create some strong bearish divergence still, and then really break, right? So it wouldn't be weird if these pumps go slightly higher, creates less positive momentum. It's also lower on the RSI, and then we break down, right? So again, interesting chart for WRX. It looks okay. Let's shade this long-term chart. Again, not doing a lot. I'm not even sure I want to fib this, because I would have to ignore this, right? This first wick. Mainly because I'm not sure if that's proper data there or not. It would seem to be the low, and that would be the local high right now. Yeah, that low works, right? So same low that we had here, we just respected over here. We're hitting that ballot retrace at that 786, and we're rejecting it right now. So again, chance that we could try to go higher than that could be in, right? And if we get above that 786, we could be looking for a retrace to that 618 at 11.83. So those would be potential targets, right? So cool stuff there. That's it for WRX. Michael Rosario, dude, 88 to Bitcoin. Sure, bro. We can do 88 to Bitcoin. Haven't done it in a while, but it's gonna go in the queue, right? Just try to use proper format, man. It really helps me a lot with the stream and how I set it up, right? Let's keep it rolling, dude. Legacy. Someone requested for LGCY off the air. Let's check it out. Raft Ethereum. That's the only thing we're going to be able to look at. So let's go with this. Down. Okay, so the first day seems to be taking a massive drop, and then it's at 0.00000 some Ethereum, like 22,561. Is it to the 8 digit? I think it's more digits. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 225.61, I guess. Guace or whatever the Ethereum fractional part is. It just looks really bad, dude, everywhere. Just because I cannot look at it properly here on the MACD, but higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. Looks good right now. Or we bought at 81. I'm gonna go to the 4 hour because the daily just looks horrible, man. All right, so look, as we're coming up higher, I'm just gonna make this larger. So from here to here we're going higher, and then from here to here we're coming lower. So there is some bearish divergence from here to here, and there's going to be bearish divergence also, very likely. A little bit lower, coming from here to here. Right, and then probably some hidden bullish happening. I'm not sure, dude. Again, I'm trying to gauge interesting stuff that's happening on the chart to see what's going to happen here. And again, look at that. All right, spot on. So higher, right? That would be the first one. And like that, right? Strong bearish divergence. Starting to move down and look negative, more negative, low, high. Right? So we have that hidden bullish. Could start a cradle around this area. Try to reverse a little bit. That wouldn't be bad, actually, for this. And then, do we have something here? Had a low, right? Had a low also. And low to high. No, we don't have it against the RSI, that hidden bullish, just against the MACD. That's fine, right? We had the strong bearish divergence happening. Now this project, I might be able to fib it here on this time. No. Really want to see if I want to get onto this project fib nodes, but that'll be something like that. Not making it about retrace yet. So I'm not sure if I want to consider this to be the local low, or if I want to consider this to be the local low. Right, so low to high. We're also not going to be making it about retrace, but retrace will be after high, so it's not really making anything where we can fib. So I'm just trying to gauge where it could go. Let's go to the 1 hour for legacy, right? Right on. So high, higher, right? Bearish divergence, first one. I'm gonna try to look at this on like zoomed out. It don't look like it's gonna be a bad chart to look at when I'm zoomed out. So positive, more positive, high, low. Again, bearish divergence here. Then went up higher, more positive, and then higher still, coming lower. So you know, this I don't like. I like it for a fact that it's just, you know, I'll do it in two parts, to here and then, you know, we're still running up high, but it looks like we're running out of steam, right? Because we're getting exhausted of this. We're going from positive to actually negative, and we're still going up higher and doing negative momentum. Again, not the best looking, but yeah, I really wish we were doing a little bit better. So again, it's a straight line. We still had that bearish divergence. Also, on legacy against the RSI, low, high, negative, more negative. Again, hidden bullish just against the RSI, right? And that's right now. Neutral at 42.32. Low, high, negative, less negative, right? What is this? I'm gonna have to go in here again. Low, lower, low, higher. Right? So low, negative, more negative. Then we're going from low to high. Then you know, lower, right? So again, hidden bullish again. Will it be able to create a loss and get us to go higher? Bring out the 20. We're below the 20. Oh no! Why is it? Get rid of it. There we go. Play out. There we are. Again, tightness on the Bollinger Bands. Starting to expand them. We're expanding them to the downside. You usually, after you have tightness on the Bollinger Bands and you expand them, usually the way you expand will dictate where the Bollinger Bands are going to go. So you look at this, we were tight, then we expanded to the upside slightly, and then just went up, right? Tightness, expanded slightly to the upside, went up. Right, it's just been going up since, and we just got a lot of tightness, and we're opening it to the downside. That means it could move down. Yosho Dorval, my background music is legendary. Thanks, man. Much appreciated. It's free music from Harris Heller. It's actually DCA royalty-free music, which is pretty cool for streamers. Reminds you of Crouch and Tiger, Hidden Dragon. Anyways, that's for Legacy, dude. I'm not that familiar with this project. It looks okay right now. Let's go to Bal. Bal. Where's the Bal at, man? Wow, so many people on the stream. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Definitely hit the sub. The Bal, if you forget, that's fine. I can forgive you. But if you don't sub, come on, man. It's great content. You enjoy it. I enjoy it. If you're still here, that's because you're liking it. So help me out. Help me grow the channel. Let's get this going higher still. Top 3 goals. What's up, man? How you doing? Thank you for being here. I much appreciate it. Let's keep on moving, dude. Bal next. Jolly fellow, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. How's it going, man? There's something happening here. What? Sorry, my phone's going nuts. It just started vibrating like crazy. I'm not sure why, so I'm trying to make sure there's nothing urgent that needs my immediate attention in the real world where we all live. But don't seem to be the case, right? Let's keep it rolling, man. Real deal, Martin. Yeah, Joshua, thanks for the comment, man. No predictions, no gimmicks, no BS, just the facts. I can know how much you appreciate you respect that. Thanks, man. Much appreciated, man. That's the whole point of the stream, right? There's a lot of people that hype stuff, and I don't like that, so. Yeah, it's just, you know, what's there, and that's it, right? It's the numbers. So, thanks for that, man. I much appreciate it. That's why the description says there's no FOMO and no FUD, because I hated that, dude. There's people overhyping projects, and a lot of people are getting wrecked because of that. Like, if you go and look at like things for XRP, I'm not gonna say just XRP because, you know, it's something, but if you look at the XRP community, they all want people to hodl forever. They all say it's gonna go to the moon, it's the next best digital asset, you know, whatever. That's fine. I don't have anything against that. I just believe that they are overhyping And they really don't take into account that people get in at different price values, right? So if someone got in at XRP at 76 cents on the last run, they're probably not that happy. And people tell them to hold instead of like helping them out is just hurting them. So people are overhyping things and saying that the lawsuit from the SEC is actually a good thing. Yeah, it can bring clarity, but it's not a good thing right now, right? So, you know, I don't have anything against any project, right? So I like all cryptos. I do believe they all have their purpose, and I do try to, like, you know, analyze each and every one of them as open and honest as I can. So I try to keep it very neutral and be unbiased when I'm doing the analysis. But you know, in the end, there's people that are overhyping everything, right? There's a lot of tribalism on crypto, I guess, where a lot of people they just want people to be on their coin. If it's not their coin, you know, the world can go screw themselves. I don't like that, right? I do believe that we can coexist as a community when we can all respect one another, talk about crypto in general, without overhyping a project. It's just another project. It's fine. Where's it gonna go, man? Right? What does it want to do? And you know, that's part of the thing I like, right? I have to check position at 3 a.m. and look possible changes around 4:30, then go to work at 6. Boomer, just go to bed, man. Put alerts. You think many streamers take advantage of the newbie crowd? Yeah. You're off to lay down. Thanks, Boomer. Thanks for watching, man. Thanks for staying and listening, man. I really appreciate all the support that you give this channel. Look, guys, again, you know, I tell y'all, you can invest in what you want. You can invest in XRP if you believe it's going to go up, right? I'm not going to be, like, sugarcoating stuff. I do have problems. That's the truth. Whether or not you believe the outcome is going to be positive or not, that's entirely up to you. You guys make up your own mind, you know. That's fine. For me, I'm not in it right now. I was in it for a long time. Like, you know, I'd never been, like, married to a project, right? But XRP, you know, was one of the projects that I really believed it could do really good. Right now, the lawsuit news really made me get out of it because, you know, like, you don't want problems, right? So really looking into this. All right, so that's it, dude. Let's go to BAL. Next project. Again, you know. Have we not looked at BAL before? It looks like not. So we're going to look at it on Coinbase, I guess. Cardboard candy wasn't bad. Bitcoin hitting support at 35K. Maybe. We'll go check it out, man. It could, right? It could be a psychological support. After BAL, I'll check it out. That's more or less the middle of the stream. And I gotta do recaps. So, BAL. Let's do this. No more requests, guys. I'm closing the requests right now. I have a lot of coins I still gotta go through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 more coins. 13 more coins, guys. Really. So I gotta start moving through stuff because otherwise it's gonna be a very late night. Higher, right? Again, if I don't do fibs for all the charts, don't worry about it. Come back another day, tell me like you want more in depth, and I can do it. Sometimes I just don't have time to start doing the fibs or look at the whole chart in detail, right? Particularly right now that I had like really for real is gonna start running with this because it's gonna get messy. I have a lot of requests. I do try to move through everything that I have. I don't like to leave requests pending. So if you request here in your live, I do try to give you that attention. G-Family, new here, just learning from City Crypto. Thanks, man. Much appreciated, G-Family. And, anyways, I do got to move through a lot of stuff. So if I'm not looking at the chat right now for the next couple of minutes, don't feel bad. I just got to move through stuff. Anyways, bearish divergence in the 50 notes, that's fine. You know, we haven't made a valid retrace, or we made a valid retrace, right? From low to high, high to low. Right, we're getting above that 100%, which is fine. We'll see where we're going to go. Anyways, bearish divergence. Bought at 67.57, so let's go to the 4 hour. High, low. Right, short term. There could be some bearish divergence here, I think. I'm going to have to make this larger. Higher, high, low, right? And then, where are we at here, man? Snaps. Where did it open? 20, 81.75, 20, 1, 27. I just opened that same area. Dang it. Not necessarily bad. If we have divergence, it's just going to be, yeah, and we do. It's medium bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside, right? So primary target will be here at the previous high that we have on the daily, which I can believe I can probably get better touch points now that I'm here on this time scale. So actually the high is higher, right? And look higher than the previous high, so that's good. On that large wick that we made, and then here on the 4 hour, I'll just adjust it to here. It should be giving us better fib notes here. So again, look, deep retrace at 382, right? Bouncing back up above the 618. Retracing to the 50 and then bouncing back to that 786. Retracing to the 618. Trying to get to 100%. We did get to 100%. Bearish divergence, potential movement down. Might want to go for that 20, you know, but, you know, it's medium bearish divergence. If it was strong bearish divergence, a bigger chance of it moving with a little bit more strength. We just don't have that much right now, right? So again, trying to determine where we're going to go with this. Like I said, setting at 20.64. Let's go to the 1 hour chart for BAL. 1 hour chart, right? Look at that. Oh, I forgot to anchor this in the 4. That's why. Duh. Sorry, guys. Sometimes I forget to anchor, you know? Right, so let's go here. First things, I gotta zoom in. High, low. Great. And then, low, high, right? So, strong bearish divergence, actually downside. On the 1 hour, we already moved down very close to that 20. Trying to pop from there, which is okay. Low, high, high, low. All right, some hidden bullish divergence. That's why we got this move up, right? So, that's fine. Low, lower. Are we going a little lower? 37, 33, 36. Yeah, slightly lower. Right. So again, hidden bullish, taking a pop, then creating strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI, right? So action to the downside, hitting that 20, trying to find support. Negative momentum starting to build. We're just getting this cross of the MACD under the signal line that could bring action to the downside. Just be careful with this. Again, I don't want to be bearish about the project, and I forgot to anchor all of this to the 1 hour, but I don't want to be bearish about the project. Just be careful with your positions, right? We didn't hit the 20, which is okay, but hitting the 20 would have been much better. That means that you're actually finding some real support before you actually bounce, right? Bouncing without support, it's a little bit tricky. It could not play out as well, right? Particularly because we're looking at hidden bullish divergence, right? That might be trying to go up from here. It's making a continuation and failed to drop on the strong bearish, but the strong bearish should be playing out a little bit stronger here, right? 2021 year of the bat? No, isn't 2021 year of the bull? Chinese New Year's, I think this year is the year of the ox. On the bat. Mr. Sithole. How's it going, man? Never been here. I haven't seen you in a long time, dude. One quick second, guys. Someone knocking at the door. I'm back. Isn't that cool, dude? The wife made me tea. That's pretty awesome, dude. I can drink tea while I stream, and my throat won't go like screwed up, right? Oh, it's very hot. It's very nice, also. Let's keep it rolling. Recap time. We'll do Bitcoin, I guess, because a lot of people talking about Bitcoin. That's the only one I'm gonna recap. No one's actually asked for anything that I've seen as a recap, so that'll be Bitcoin, right? Let's go Bitcoin. 34,849. What? It's dropping. Why is it dropping? Because it had bearish divergence. Half hour, I think we might have called for some hidden bullish or bullishness to happen here. We still have it right to there. And that just tracks under there. Remember, hidden divergences can still drop. We'll still have it. Yeah, we're still there. Sold at 37.13 on the RSI. But on the 1 hour, remember, we had the bearish divergence. Great. It's moving down. On the 4 hour, we had the what? Nothingness, right? Because we're consolidating. And then on the daily, I think we're also clear. So, and we're playing off the 1 hour bearish divergence for the movement down. Again, that's fine. Remember, we can go low, high, and then negative, more negative, have some hidden bullish, and then try to pump from that, right? So that could be cool for XRP. Sorry, for Bitcoin if that plays out. So yeah, Bitcoin moving down. So, right, let's keep going, dude. Again, we're in a channel, right? 37,275 to 34,438. Let's go to the other chart. Do we have fibs here that are hold support? Yeah, we have fib here at the 236 at 34,222, and then over here we have also fibs, I guess. We're breaking below the 382 at 35,101, which again, you know, held as support in the last candle, opened there, and then moving down. That's fine. Not worried about that. If we go down, we could go down to 33,692, according to this chart here. But again, we do have support, right? At 34 before we get there. So again, different charts, different anchor points. I have different stuff in them. That's fine. Right, let's keep it rolling. CRV, man, next project. The Honda CRV. Up next on Binance. Wouldn't it be cool if you actually owned this project and you were entitled to have a Honda CRV just for holding it? That would be really awesome. I would like to have a Honda CRV just for holding a coin. We haven't looked at this in a long time. I don't think anyone's requested it. So it's just taking massive pops lately. Right, 2. Great. Higher, more positive. Everything's good, dude. Do you have something bullish? 211, 195, right? So lower, right? Lower, low. And then negative, less negative, right? So with that action to the upside, we're getting that rally happening. We rallied, great. What next? We dropped a little bit, maybe something on the 4 hour. Taking support at the 20, taking a pop. Great. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, short term, I doubt we're going to have. Oh, we have some bearish divergence. What? I was going to say I doubt we're going to have something. But damn, I'm surprised to see this one because this spike looks massive for some reason. But bearish divergence strong. 484. 5, right? Nothing here on the MACD, that's fine. Let's go back here, man. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, narrow, side, lower point. Right. Low, high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish here. But again, you know, it did its job, played to the upside, that's fine. Am I anchoring this on the 4 hour? Yeah, great. I hate when I forget to anchor. Then it, you know, it's just the messy charts in the 1 hour. It turns the 1 hour into a bloodbath. Alright, so hidden bullish, taking a pop, great. That's it, dude. Bearish divergence moving down. I do believe we might be making a valid retrace here on the daily, dude. So let's see, high to low. Am I in log scale? I am in log scale. There we go. Not quite hitting it yet, right? Very close to hitting a valid retrace at $1.91. That could be a potential target for this. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What? There's a lot of stuff happening in the chat. Guys, I'm sorry, dude. I'm moving through the requests right now. I'm not really looking at the chat that much. Sorry about that, guys. I really appreciate y'all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? See here, dude. Coming up higher. Slant divergence, right? Bearish. Strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Move down, hit that 20. Trying to find support there. Nothing against the RSI, dude. 72. 73. So again, potential action to the downside, moving down. Are we doing some hidden bullish? Yes, it looks like we are, man. That's probably what we were trying to hold on to at 20. Then negative, more negative, right? We don't have it against the RSI. Neutral at 54.92. That's it for CRV, dude. Again, not familiar with this project. I don't follow it regularly, so I have no clue what they're up to. What shenanigans are they up to, man? Thanks for staying on the grind. Thank you, Tristan, for being here, man. Much appreciated. Kyla, a little late tonight. What's happening? Well, a lot of stuff. We already checked out a lot of coins. I've still got a lot of coins to go through, so let's go to LRC, man. I have a couple of LRCs. Which one we're going to look at? This one. Is this the one we've been looking at? I don't know, dude. I have a couple of LRC charts open. Is it this one? Yeah, it could be this one. Do I have another one? I can't believe we have not looked at LRC since October the 20th, so I doubt it. I probably have another one. Oh no, I just have these two. Damn. Okay. Well, this one has Jack in it. We're gonna have to do it with this one. I thought we had looked at loop rings, like, for some reason, like, a little bit. Wasn't someone requesting a loop ring, like, a couple days ago? Maybe something on the 4 hour? I'm not sure. Yeah, on the 4 hour. So, on the 8th. Right, because on the daily, we didn't have anything. That's why. Came down, hit that 20, briefly high, low, possible spots to the high on their side to lower point. Nothing happening here. Bought at 60.02. Let's go to the 4 hour. All the actions here. We had strong bullish, popped, great. Bearish divergence, moving down low, lower, negative, less negative. Strong bullish divergence still being there. Potential fraction to the upside, right? Now, are we moving up? Slightly. Against the MACD, right? Against the RSI, we don't have it. Too small pop, high, higher. High, low, positive, positive, high on the RSI, lower point. Nothing there. Great. So, low, high. Right. And then here, let's see. What is this, dude? What is this? Yeah. It looks like we have some hidden bullish here on the short term. Right from here to here and from here to here. 46, 68, 47. Also here. Oh, no, we don't have it there. So that's it, dude. All right. Cornbot size says spread the love. Yeah, I agree. Spread the love. I'm not sure why. Above the clouds, 87. I heard XRP is going to explode. Well, I heard a lot of things about XRP, man. I'm not sure which ones are going to be true, man. Right? There's a lot of speculation out there. Be careful. Control risk. Ruben Molinares. I'm not sure VT's on the list. Yeah, it is on the list. We'll do it. It's just going to take me a little bit of time to get to it. Right. Ren for the win. Already did Ren. Right, so high, low, positive, positive, high, and there's a lower point. Nothing here, dude. Gonna go to the 1 hour. Again, hidden bullish, taking a small pop. Great. High, higher, positive, more positive. Higher, so nothing bearish here. Do we have something bullish to pop? Let's see. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's the hard point. I'm not seeing anything here, man. Right, I'm not going to hunt for data, dude. I don't see anything on loop ring right now. There's nothing that pops up easily. Do we have fibs for this? Yeah, we have fibs. Below the 236, so we could be trying to retrace still on loop ring. And just let me get this with a fresh set of eyes. Zoom out. Yeah, it just looks like we're getting sideways motion, right? We're just consolidating this level, that's it. So we don't really have a lot going on. And most of the moves can be contained within this area, more or less, right? So right here. Right. Some outliers, but, you know, again, a lot of sideways motion, right? Bollinger Bands slightly expanded on that move to the upside, right? We broke the downside, expanded them to the upside. Bollinger Bands still expanded, so I'm really not sure what to look for here on loop ring. I'm not seeing anything. It just looks like it might move sideways a little bit more. You know, so it could, you know, break it away right now. I'm not seeing anything there. Wow, I just showed the Revolt message got deleted for some reason. Sorry, Joshua. I'm not sure what you did, but the bot probably... the bot timed you out for 5 seconds. What do you do, bro? I'm sure why the bot timed you out, but damn you, bot. VXG. Dude. VXG, man. I can't find that here. Sorry, dude. No VXG. Someone requested VXG, I think, so that's how I wrote it. If I'm wrong, let me know. Kitty Kush, Rose. I'm not able to do Rose, dude. Already close request, man. I'm sorry about that. About to decide that Jake left, maybe. I'm not sure. Haven't seen him, so. VGX, right. Not here, dude. Right? Didn't he go by another name before? Like BQX or something like that? Because he's not showing up, right? Yeah, so BQX, that's the one we're going to look for, right? Right, so on the daily we didn't have anything. We made a valid retrace at 236. Rejecting slightly, that's okay. High, higher, positive, or positive. High on the other side to higher point. Overbought at 87.81. I think that was good. The 4 hour. We're looking for bearish divergence. We had it to there. We still have it to here. Moving to the downside. We moved down since. That's fine. Not a lot happening since. Let's see. Low, high, negative, more negative. Great. Some hidden bullish divergence. That's probably the reason that we're trailing and trying to revert. We're hitting that 20, finding resistance, and we're failing to get above that area, right? So again, nothing crazy happening here, right? Nothing out of the ordinary right now. Slightly higher, that's fine. Again, it would be very nice if we get above the 20 and get above that 236. That could put us on the way to retrace. Right now we don't have that. Neutral at 55.74. Let's go to the 1 hour. Look, on the 1 hour, I was looking for bearish divergence to here. Obviously, it didn't play out to there. So let's see. I'm going to have to make this larger. See where we went. High to low, right? So previous high is here, and it's at 0.0, right? 0.020, and this is at 0.019. So we still have that bearish divergence. We just need to keep on tracking it, right? That's what I tell you guys, to keep on tracking stuff when I'm off the air. Still have that bearish divergence. We lost it against the RSI. That's fine. Action to the downside. Breaking down since then. So what are we doing? Low, lower, negative, less negative. That works for strong bullish divergence, right, on the 1 hour chart. With that, we get potential for price action to the upside. Right, and we're getting that small pop happening. We're moving here sideways. Yeah, it looks like it. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, there's higher point. That's fine. Right, hidden bearish starting to develop also. So high, low. Positive, more positive. And the low point on the RSI to higher point on the RSI. So that hidden bearish could bring action to downside. We're getting that. That's what we're rejecting, right? That 236. And we haven't quite gone to the 20 here, but again, right now, hidden bearish could try to move us down. If we fail to go lower than the previous low here, that would give some kind of indication that the bullishness is still on. The strong bullish could still kick in and try to get us to go higher. If we drop lower than this previous low, then we were looking for some bearish divergence to draw. By going low, lower, then negative, less negative, and low to high on the RSI. And with that, we would have strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Bernardo Costa, Ave, dude, I'm not going to be able to do Ave already today. I already get a lot of requests. I still got to move through. We're doing a lot of coins today. Probably over 26 coins. Over 20 plus coins. Almost over 26 coins. So Ave, I'm not going to be able to do it today, Bernardo. If you want me to look at it, you can come tomorrow, bro. It's all good. SNX is already on the list, I think. Yeah, it's way down, though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins from where we're at right now. So someone already requested that, right? So that's it for XGV, right? Wi-Fi. Sure, why not, dude? Someone requested Wi-Fi. Yiffy, Wi-Fi, whatever we're going to call this project. Let's go to daily. Last thing we called those bullish. Took a pop. Great. High, higher. Positive, less positive. We're starting to create bearish divergence now. Oh no, where are we going to go? Well, if this triggers, we're going to go to the downside. That is what strong bearish divergence brings along to the party, right? You can try to pump, but you know, from here to here, we also have strong bearish divergence. So moving this down, you can try to pump, and strong bearish divergence is going to say, hell no, man, get out of my party. I think the reason I didn't call this one is because we had this island. So I cannot call it now. I can't. Forgot about the island. I forgot about the island, man. There you go. Let's do that. Anyways, strong bearish divergence, potential moving down. Wouldn't be weird if we started to move down. We have it against the MACD and the RSI, so watch out for that. Bought at 66.47. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. High, low, positive, less positive, high on the RSI, lower point, nothing there. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher point, right? Nothing here. Again, I don't want to be like pushing data onto the chart. It should be there. High, higher, positive, more positive, right? High, higher, nothing here, dude. Nothing on the 4-hour. What do we have on the 1 hour, dude? I think we had something way back here. Nothing. Great. We haven't looked at this project in a while then. Awesome. I'm not sure when we looked at this last. Low, high, negative, more negative. We do have this island. I'm going to ignore it. Screw that small island. It's a small island nation of bearishness. The small island nation of negative momentum, right? That's what I call it. The small island nation of negative momentum. Also here, right? Coming up higher, strong bearish divergence, right? And right here. So action to the downside, right? Moving down. Again, hidden bullish, taking a pop, and now we're coming higher, more positive, but against the RSI, I do believe we might be going lower. 66, 55, 67, slightly higher. So I'm not going to call anything bearish right now. Impulse up, we're flagging, consolidating this area. We could go on another run, right? Nothing wrong with Wi-Fi right now. 37,905 buckaroos. Right. Good. Let's do something else. Again, going through quickly through the coins, dude. WEX. Dude, WEX is not here. Someone requested WEX, is not here. I can't look at it. Sorry if you requested WEX. Let's go to Dodge. Doggy. Oh, my Doggy coin. I have a couple Dodge charts here. I'm not sure which one we look at, so I'm going to have to like zoom out a little bit. Let's see which one we have data for on the daily. We have fibs on that one. We don't have anything here. Oh, this one has channels. Great. This one? Nope. This one has channels. This one just has charting stuff in it. Great. I guess we'll go with this one. Right, so we're looking for some kind of consolidation happening here, right? Potential falling wedge. We did fail to break it to the upside. That's fine. We broke down. Found support at 20, which is fine. Low high, right? Low high. Probably why we found that support. Hidden bullish. Divergence against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI though, right? And again, finding support at 20 right now. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Last thing we had here was bullish. We did try to rally a little bit. That's fine. High, low, positive, high on the RSI, lower point. Nothing here that is bearish. Which broke down. Wow, maybe the 1 hour. Low, lower, negative. Dude, I'm going to have to really come and check this out. Alright. Right. So negative, less negative, right? So I'll be anchoring from here to here. Strong bullish divergence, action to the upside, right? That action to the upside is, oh dude, I forgot to anchor. Dang it. Lloyd Duda, you think Ethereum is going to go to 2K within a couple of weeks? Oh, dude, anything's possible, right? If Bitcoin moves sideways, it might. If Bitcoin pumps, it might. If Bitcoin drops, it won't. Spiritual Gangsters, is it too late to buy Ethereum? I'm not sure, dude. I cannot tell you whether or not it's too late. Is it? If it goes to $50,000, is it too late to buy it? If it drops to $1,000, was it too late to buy it? It's subjective, right? So 1 Bitcoin is not enough for the first date. What do you mean, dude? I'm not sure. Thank you, Louis Dada, for being here, man. Much appreciated. If you guys like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Hit the like for reals, and the sub. Yay, Spotify ads, bro. Something else. There we are. You wish you got Ethereum when it was 5. I wish I got Bitcoin when it was like 8 cents, man. Right? A lot of people wish they got into crypto at lower prices, right? Where's my Michelin hat? It's right here. On the side somewhere. Woo! Not on tonight. Right? Have the nitro hat on. Because why not, right? Nitro. I want to work camo. It's fine. CRV pumping. Great, man. I think we already did it. So. I wish I got in Geico and then I would have saved 15% or more on my car insurance, right? Wishing is not going to make you guys do stuff. Action, right? It takes action, not wishing. It's never too late to do something. Low to high, hidden bearish. Actually, the downside. We also have it against the RSI, right? Low to high. Joshua, why you need help, man? Oh, sorry, man. It's fine. Well, high negative, negative, low on there, so higher point. Neutral at 48.26. Nothing happening short term. Again, hidden bearish moving down. That's fine. We have strong bullish still, so failing to drop lower in the previous low would give us this strong bullish continuation. Starting channel, right? We're starting to see that tightness coming into Bollinger Bands. That means volatility is leaving the market. When volatility leaves the market, it starts to become subdued, right? So the movements are just very tight. It's just like neutral for a little bit. But that volatility, sometimes it just comes and it hits and it pops and it breaks and, you know, we just get wild moves. Sometimes, you know, it's just there. Skew GRT. Wow. Weird. I'm not sure what we call for GRT, dude. Let's go to 1 hour chart. We'll check it out again, though. I'll revisit it. Right, what's going on here, dude? Low, high. Right on, dude. Hidden bullish. Boom, right? From here to here. Negative. More negative. Low on the other side, lower point, right? So, we have that bullishness. Taking that small pop. High, low. Positive is positive. High, low. That's fine. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Great. Right, so this could work as hidden divergence, all right? High, low, low, high, right? Hidden bearish. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Action to the downside, starting to drop. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's a higher point. Again, hidden bearish. Potential moving down, we're getting it, but really not with strength, right? Again, like we said, it just looks like we want to move sideways. And look at that, we're more or less moving sideways. That's it for Doge. At 0.9 cents, right? 0.9000 cents. Great stuff, dude. Someone said the graph is doing something, so. No, a lot of people love the graph for some reason. Haven't gotten to the project yet, so. Rightfully all. We didn't have anything on the daily, that's fine. Or the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour is still clear. You have something on the 1 hour? Nope, we didn't have anything on the 1 hour. Last thing we had was bullish. I told you guys, consolidate here, maybe take a drop. You know, we still have resistance there at 55. That's great. We're getting above it. We have the 1618 here. I believe this is 1618, or no, it's a 382, sorry, at 56.11. Then above there, we have resistance at 58.89. So great, it's not doing that bad. Again, it didn't have anything when we were looking at it. So the graph, it's fine, right? It doesn't have anything bearish, or last one we had was bullish. So on the 1 hour, and the daily, it's fine. We didn't have anything here to chart. So great, the graph, doing good. XLM. Where my XLM charts at, man? Here they are. What? Well, developers love the graph. That's pretty cool. XLM, we had bearishness. We moved down. Again, we're flagging. We're consolidating sideways. Nothing happening on the daily. Bought at 63.22. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had bearish divergence. We moved down slightly, hit that 20, trying to move sideways. Again, not a lot happening. Neutral at 52.37. I don't think there's anything happening here short term. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh no, on the 1 hour chart, we had bearish divergence yesterday. What did we go down? Then we would do pumped a little bit. Why? Did we create some hidden bullish? Low, high, negative, more negative. Yes, hidden bullish. Trying to take a small pop, but really not going up that high, right? So again, I love it when the charts are easy, like this one, because, you know, This point in time in the stream, I'm usually pretty tired, so I've been live for right now. It's not that late though. I've been live for about 2 hours and 24 minutes, but today was a long day. I woke up super early, and my daughter had a really, really bad night last night, so it was a really shitty night's sleep. So yeah, by this time right now, I'm just like, oh, dude. Hello, positive, negative, less negative, low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side, lower point, right? Some more hidden bullish here, right? Against the RSI, not against the MACD though. With that potential action to the outside, we're starting to move up again above these 382, or is it the 382 here? 50%. No, 382. That's fine. Above the 382 and heading for that 20. That 20 sitting at 30.11 cents right now, sitting at 29.29 and performing better than XRP again. So yeah, that's it for XLM, dude. Next. There we go. What's the next, right? Oh, Frodo. Kyla, fixing the blow? What? What's fixing the blow? I'm not sure. I didn't catch that, dude. XLM? Yeah, probably. Right. It could look like it was just moving sideways a little bit, so why not? Yo, thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub, right? Definitely hit the sub, guys. Come on. Help us out, grow. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys are really, really cool for being here and hanging out with me and helping me get the stream to go up in numbers and in quality. Because you guys' suggestions make the stream better. Not only here, but also the community on the Discord, right? So join us on the Discord. We have an active community. A lot of people chat there. If there's things happening, I'm usually chatting there as well. I'll post stuff, graphs, whatnot throughout the day if there's things that are happening. So join us there. It's fun. So next, we had bearish divergence. Look at that. We still managed to pump slightly more. We still have that bearish divergence, and we still have that bearish divergence. Potential action to downside. And you know, since we started to create it here, and it's just been dragging, it just keeps on, you know, tracking. We're seeing that resistance to go higher. So we're getting exhausted. We should be coming down again. Reset the oscillators, right? Get back to neutral on the RSI. Make a little bit of negative momentum before we can try to run again. It's not unhealthy for the market to do that, right? So it's actually good. So moving down does not necessarily equal death on crypto, right? It just means consolidation sometimes is good. Sometimes it will crash, but, you know, look at Bitcoin. It's like the Phoenix. Every time it comes back, it's just stronger, dude. And it just goes higher. It drops more, but it doesn't drop lower than the previous low. And then, you know, it's a freaking monster, right? Oh, Joshua, dude. Or no, someone else. I thought you got, like, banned, but no, Louis Dada got, like, timed out. Sorry, Louis, dude. The bot is doing its thing. Let's go to the 4-hour. High, higher, positive, less positive, right? So bearish divergence. Great stuff there, man. Potential action to the downside. Last thing we had, bullish, right? Popping, great. Now bearish, moving down. Awesome. Hello. Hello also, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side to a higher point. Neutral at 49.77. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour, we had a triangle. We could break it away. We talked about that. Fake breakout to the upside, moving down. Did we move a measure move? Did we do a measure move, dude? That's the question. We didn't. Great, but we still moved down. Wicked quite a bit down. That's fine. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Great. Now low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. Slightly higher here. Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure. Let's zoom in. Opening 16,787, 16,79, 7879, slightly higher. All right. Look, if you don't want to say it's going higher, you can just say it's going sideways. That's fine. It works. Still making bearish divergence here. It would just be making strong. If you just want to say it's going, you know, slightly higher, it's making strong bearish divergence. If you just say it's moving sideways, then you're making medium bearish divergence. Still bearish divergence though, right? So hash bearish divergence, potential action to downside. We're starting to move down there. That's great. A little high, negative, more negative, right? So hidden bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. Also here on the RSI, right? Going from sold to sold still at 33. Then we take that small pop. High, low, positive, positive, high, lower, lower point. Everything's good here. We just felt to go higher. Hidden bearish. Sometimes it's not as strong as hidden bullish is usually not as strong as hidden bearish. sorry, hidden bullish is not as strong bearish divergence or medium bearish divergence, so it could fail to go higher than the previous high. If that happens, we're looking for action to the downside. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, neutral at 43.31. Again, starting to consolidate here, and you sort of like triangle shape, right? And we're seeing a lot of these happening on crypto, right? Like that, and then like we can go from here to here, and if we extend this line, like that, right? So we're looking at sort of support line here on the bottom, then resistance on the top, making a symmetrical triangle that could break either way. Yeah, it's just hiding there in that range, so nothing off with that, right? See how this keeps on playing out again. It just shows indecision, right? Like the market doesn't know where it wants to go. That's it for us next. Algorand. I'll go. What? A lot of stuff happening here. Here, replay from the CEO of JP Morgan to a real CNN Rich House. What? I reply. Well, I'm not sure why they said that. Dude, what else? I'll go Rand. Dudes, come on. Oh, my neck is starting to get stiff. Alright, so what are we doing here, man? I'll go high, higher, positive, more positive. Are we doing that? Yeah, it looks like it, right? I want to do that dot there. Positive, more positive, right? High, higher, great. Everything here is good. Nothing bearish. Again, got above that 55.81. I don't think we created anything new here. Let's go on the daily first. We're looking for bearish divergence. Still there, right? Look at that. Still there, and still there. Potential action to the downside. Starting to move down today. Trying to head for that support at 55.81. Let's see whether or not we manage to hold on to that. Michael, bro, can you look at ADA to Bitcoin? Sure, man. It's already a request. It's the last one on the list, man. I'm gonna get there. It is there. It's the last one I'm gonna look at, right? So 4 more coins to it. I'll go and then 3 more, right? Just give me time, man. I got a long list, right? But when you came in and requested that I did put in the list, it's just I've already done a lot of coins, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 22. It's gonna be 22 coins with that one, plus a 5 I already did at the beginning. That puts me at 27 coins, dude. That's a lot of coins to do, right? So again, I'll get to it. Just give me a little bit of time, right? Do I collect Star Wars figurines? Dude, a lot of people ask me that. I don't. Thank you for asking, though. I collect some Deadpool figurines, and my kid collects Legos, and all that there is Legos. What established that? Star Wars? No, it's Star Wars. Batman Lego. All that up there is Batman Lego figurines, and I have my Deadpool collection here on the side, and I already showed you the other day. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated, and thanks for the question, dude. Anyways, moving down on that. Great. Bought at 67.61, so nothing there. Off. Let's go here on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour. Look at that, beautiful, dude. We're holding on to that support spot on almost. The close was at 55.96. We have that support at 55.81. It's like fractions of a cent. It's almost dead on. Had the bearish divergence move down, that's fine. Found support at the 20 took a pop. Great. We didn't have anything there. Now from here to here, we're coming up higher. And we're creating strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Good stuff happening there, right? I mean, because we're moving down and we have that bearish divergence, but we're finding the support. That's why I'm saying good stuff, right? Support holding, which is good. A little high negative, less negative. That's fine. Nothing else happening here. Let's go to the again strong bearish divergence, right? Potential moving down. If we fail to hold support at 58.81, we're looking for support at 52.46, and if we break there, previous high here at 51.46 or the 20 moving average, right? Those will be the targets to the downside on the 4 hour. Tip him to get TA priority. Yeah. At this point in time, I mean, I'm not sure how much you're really going to get priority. Just 3 more coins. So if you don't wait, that's fine. But if you want to, like, you request something, you can send a tip and ask me to do something, and I'll skip the queue, right? So, yeah. Usually, I mean, it's free. So if you just want to wait, I'll get to it. But yeah. if you want to tip, that's awesome also, right? Because it really helps me out. It motivates me to keep on doing this every day. I mean, I like doing this. I'm going to keep on doing it. But, you know, it's cool to be recognized for the work. And the tips are, like, pretty cool. Because my channel's not monetized yet, right? So, I just, your kindness, it's really appreciated all the time whenever you guys tip. So, it's pretty cool. Let's see if I'm going with algo. Let's see where we're at here, man. Dude, this is way off. There we go. 510, 483. All right. So negative, less negative. All right, this is a 1 hour chart. Here we go. And high to low. All right. So again, strong bearish action to the upside. High higher, positive or positive high on the other side to higher point. Something here that is bearish. Let me zoom in. Let me just make sure I'm not calling anything too soon. So I'm gonna go in here again. High, higher, that's fine. And then here. High, higher, that's fine. Even short term. Slightly higher, slightly higher, slightly higher. So there's nothing here. Maybe the half hour has some bearishness there, right? So that could be it. Dude, I know you told me that yesterday, Jay Katera, that your mother-in-law hates you because you crashed your RC airplane into her. You should go make up and make amends. Give her the airplane and let her crash it into you. She might be cool, right? By the way, guys, all the tips I give have a purpose, right? The ones that we're getting, we're going to that mic. Now, the ones I'm going to start getting are going to go to new mouse because a lot of people are complaining about the mouse clicks. But, you know, it's the mouse I have. I'm sorry, guys. You know, I roll with what I have. So, in the day-to-day, the mouse is not a distraction for me, so I have no need to get a new one. But a lot of you don't like it, so for me, you know, it's that. You got your drone and cutting your girlfriend's hair. That sucks. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, there's a high. We're bouncing at the 20, which is pretty good. Again, I'm just going to go to the half hour. I do believe I'm going to find something here. And I'm looking for a clue as to why we're going down. And I do believe we have bearish divergence. So I just wanted to confirm it. And also the bounce that we're getting. It's unhidden bullish, right? So again, I want to get that confirmation because, you know, otherwise I'm not going to go to sleep peacefully. So again, look at this coming down from here to here and then from here to here. And as we're going out, we're creating that bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish divergence for the action to go down on Algorand. So yeah, I was right. We did have something on the half hour. Yay. Awesome. Then low, high, negative, more negative, right? Also, I want to get a stream deck. That we already passed, right? There's a link in the description, Louis Doda. There's a link in the description. You can tip in fiat via PayPal, or you can tip in crypto via OneUpCoin. They both show up here on the stream, and then if you tip via CoinTree, it won't show up. You gotta let me know, and then I'll show the message off from what I get from CoinTree. It just happens off the air. But in general, all the tips that come here don't go to frivolous things, right? They go to things to make the stream better and more enjoyable for you. At some point in time, I'm going to have to get a new chair because I use a wooden chair, right? Look, it's made out of wood. And it's really hard on my back, so I just, like, you know, makeshifted this office space when COVID hit, or before that, you know, but it's there. Jake's still here? Bro, I thought you were asleep, man. Wow, Jake, thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Someone was asking for you earlier, and I said you went to sleep. So, cool. Thank you for being here, Jake. I know it's super late for you. You're going to sleep in a second? Yeah, that's cool. Did I work in an office before COVID? Yeah. Martin, it was me. What was you, Korean, about to say? Oh, the one that donated the 10 towards the end? That says Ainon up there? I haven't yet, bro. I need to do that, man. I wasn't in town today. Remember, I went out of town. So you just told me yesterday. What? Murph tipped 420. Bro, it is a lot, bro. All the tips help. Like, never like think you're not tipping enough, dude. Any tip helps, right? All that, like, really helps to reach the goals that we have. You know, we want to make the stream better. Like I invested on PC equipment at first, you know, camera, lighting, a mic, you know, within a budget that I could afford. You know, my mouse and keyboard. Like I'm not even frivolous, dude. Like this is a Microsoft mouse, like the basic one. My keyboard is a Microsoft keyboard, right? So you know the basic one. So I didn't have to buy like, you know, the coolest equipment to start streaming, and it's part of the reality, right? You don't have to start with like super expensive stuff. I think the camera or the PC was the biggest thing, and then the camera was the most expensive one after that. Because I did want to at least have a good image, and I want to buy another camera later on. But yeah, don't say that, you know, it's not a lot. It is a lot, dude. 420, it's a lot, dude. All tips mean the world to me, because it really lets me know that you appreciate the work that I'm doing here. So yeah, I really appreciate you all for that, man. Yeah. Yeah, it could be cool to have guests. We could try to set up something one night a week where we have people online, you know, maybe a Saturday or Sunday, so someday that's chill. And that I can, you know, take it easy. We could do it on the Discord. You know, at least you can talk on the Discord. But we'll see, man. I mean, I'm still trying to get used to the new format that we're doing because a lot of requests starting to come in, right? Get Dion, do interviews. Yeah. I already did Dia though a while back, right? So I did an interview a while back with with Decentralized from the Vault. I don't mind getting people on here. Like if you know people on Twitter that are interesting that you want me to interview, push them to like, yeah, push them and I can interview them, right? Tell them that you want to see them on this channel. Plan an interview with Jake? Sure, bro. I have no problem having an interview with Jake. Cool. Well, let's do that, man. But I know you just want to do voice, so it's just like having you on, right? And like that would, well, yeah, what I can do is just bring people on and they can talk with me. I guess that could work. Anyways, Algo, done. A couple more projects to go. VT, Zell, and ADA to Bitcoin. I want to do those, and we'll see how much time we have left. Doing a lot of coins today, guys. Starting to get really tired. VT USD. What? Yes. Where is it at, man? This is the VT chart that I look at. Yes. It hasn't had anything yet, right? Rejecting the 1618 again. Getting above the 2.5 cent mark, which is good. Went down, wicked all the way down to 244 yesterday. That's fine. Popping back up. Looks like it wants to move down. There's nothing here on the daily. Neutral at 58.48. Yeah, we'll see, man. I mean, Tristan, we do kind of maintain a little bit on the stream. Like, we haven't lost a lot of viewers, right? So I'll show the graph. We did lose after a peak, right? So we did climb up nicely, 220, 210. Right, and after that, we were, like, dropping slowly. But we're more or less steady. It's a slow decline. I get a lot of people leaving the U.S. in Canada's East Coast. So for them, it starts to get late, you know. We'll see. Should make some mercy. Just as you're saying, Bearish Divergence. That's your tagline. VT looks very similar to Ethereum. Yeah. There's ideas for merch out there. I have a lot of quirky stuff that I want to do for merch. I actually have a notebook with quirky stuff I want to do for merch. Give me one quick second. I missed something here. What? I dropped something by accident. Do you want to drop that? Ooh, internet bill. I gotta pay that. Otherwise, no stream, right? What else, dude? Yeah, I was going to talk about something. I do have some quirky stuff I want to get going, dude. I usually have a notebook where I write all my quirky stuff for this Tether Crypto. And it's late. When do I sleep? I sleep from 2 in the morning till 7 in the morning or 7:30. Sometimes, if I'm lucky, I can sleep until 8. Yeah. Louis Dota says I make you a t-shirt. You have printer. That's pretty cool, man. I live in Mexico, though. I'm not sure how much shipping is going to be for the shirts from where you live to here, man, but that would be really cool. I want to make a hat for the State of Crypto, actually. And then I have it here at State of Crypto. And, you know, this is ad space, actually. That's why I wear a hat, also. Because if any crypto company wants me to send me some merch, like hats, I can wear them. And if it's a shirt that has something here on the side, I might be able to get it to show if I zoom back out a little bit. So that could be really cool. So again, blank space for ad, and again, space for ad here. Because you cannot see the mic, you cannot see the headset. I don't wear a headset. You cannot see the mouse. So I'm not like a gamer, let's say, where you need to see those things. But yeah, I do think about the, you know, gear that I wear as potential ads. So if someone ever wants to do something, that'll be the space that I'll be offering here or here, right? Those are the things you see. Maybe something back here. Actually, back there, I'm gonna get a marquee that comes through that reads crypto prices. That's on the books. I'm still trying to sell that. Jake's helping me with some dude. I might get it for free, so it's pretty cool. Mexico, am I running? No, dude, I live here. Anyways, 4 hour bearish divergence moving down. Low, high, negative plus negative low, and there's a higher point. Negative. What is this? 2-0. 5, slightly more. Let's go to the 1 hour, dude. Will I wear a Murph hat? Sure, bro. Send me a Murph hat. Not sure how many streams I'm gonna wear it. Depending on how cool the hat is. If it's a really cool hat, I don't mind using it. Yeah, we're gonna get some pretty cool stuff happening here. Gotta figure out with him though, Jake. How many streams do I need to like be mentioning him? Because I do these every night. I'm not sure if he wants it to be done forever. I mean, I don't mind. I just need to know a time frame. He just says he wants me to do it every time I go. So interesting. I don't mind it. I just need to like understand with him, like how like is a year enough or something like that, you know. But it's cool, you know. How long does he need me to talk about it every day in the stream? Things like that, right? What size t-shirt and what you want to... Louis, do that. We could talk about that on the Discord, man. Join us on the Discord, right? It's easier to set everything up here than doing it here. Set up a P.O. box. I could try to do that on the state side, yeah. Family there. I can probably set up a P.O. box. Like, I want him... Like, Jake, I want him to be happy, right? Yeah, I don't mind, man. I don't mind that. So, yeah, I need to talk to him, but he just didn't reply to my tweet the other day. Right? I need to get down in the books with him. High, low, positive, positive, low, low, right? Low, high. Again, hidden bullish here. That's why we're taking that small pop to the upside, right? So, again, starting to diverge here on the chat. Small pop, high, low, positive, positive, low. Right? Nothing else. Neutral at 53.44. We're not going to go shorter on VET. That's it, dude. It has hidden bullish. It could try to go up again. It's trying to hold on support at the 20. Let's see what it does. Silica. I'm almost done with the request. Today really feels like it's been a very long day. Yeah, I will, man. I'll send him another tweet, another message on Twitter tomorrow. It's too late right now. Shouldn't be bothering people at this time of the night. Right, so Silica. Since I'm here, I'm gonna short it on the 1 hour first. I usually like to go daily 4 hour and then maybe less, right? So, but right now we'll just go with this because it's here already and I already spotted it. So bearish divergence, strong action to the downside. We were in a channel, we're breaking it. That's fine. We're breaking it to the upside. Awesome. Getting above some support, some resistance here. Is that the 786 that we're getting above right now? Yeah, 786 at 0.714. Which is fine. Could get us on target to bounce to previous high here at 0.8 or 8 cents right now. Great. Nothing else happening here on the daily, right? We have the bullish divergence. That's it. Hidden bearish. What? Wow, someone's opening the. It's late for someone to get here. Someone's opening the garage door. Low, high, high, low, high, right. So we're going higher here. That's the question. I'm gonna really look at this. No, high, low. Great, that works. Again, strong bearish divergence, action to downside. Trying to find support here, like I said, at the 786. At the 7.1 cent, right? So again, very nice support. Also the 20 holding support. In neutral at 53.26. About to get across the MACD under the signal line. If that happens, we're going to get negative momentum. And that could break us below this line here that we have at 7.1. And if we break there, we have to hold support at the 20. And if we do break there, we have support here at 6.5. Then if we break that area, we were looking for support at 5.6. But if we manage to hold support and pump and diverge here again, not because we're getting close means that we're like, you know, gonna crash insanely. Sometimes we get these psych outs when we like get really close. Looks like we're gonna cross and then we don't, and then we just like go insanely high. So it could bring us all the way up here to like 8.9 or something, right? So that's fine for Silica. Let's go to the 1 hour. Crypto Legend. I see some bearish divergence in my sleep patterns, so I think I should take a rest now. Night. Thank you for being here, Crypto Legend. I'm almost done, man. 2 more coins. Silica and NADA. Wow. Bearish divergence in the 1 hour again. We just drew that, so move down. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, there's high. Lower, right, hidden bullish, right? Again, part of the reason that we're taking that small pump here at support. At that support, right? There we go, right? Hidden bullish. About to pop, that's fine. I don't care about the past. We had bearish divergence, we moved down, and great. Found support there at the midline of the channel, then broke it to the upside. Awesome, dude. Again, interested in what's happening now. Again, hidden bullish. Trying to go up, we might try to get above that 20 being at 7.3 cents. And if we fail to get above that area, again, potential retest here at the 7.1. If we get above that area, we can try to climb higher. We'll see that tomorrow, I guess, right? We can try our target to beat right now. It's 7.7 cents, which we could, again, right, on hidden bullish. If the market is bullish enough, hidden bullish could push us higher. Silica, that's it. ADA. Oh, Tyler HD. Hats. You're taught on Ethereum. Cool. Jeremiah Kane, pump him up. Dude, I'm already pumped, dude. I'm just getting really tired. I started really early in the day. My daughter had a really bad night's sleep. She woke us up like 4 times throughout the night. So it felt like it just kept on breaking my sleep pattern. And when I woke up, I was super tired, man. And I've been outdoors all day. So it's also making me feel super tired. Can you fill me in on what happened to Bitcoin and how it flatlined? Sure, Tristan. We can check out Bitcoin again in a recap. That will be after ADA, though, right? Oh, Ethereum, I can also recap, by the way. So I'll give you my hats on Ethereum. Oh, Tyler. Right, so when I wanted to do ADA to Bitcoin for some reason, I'm not sure, dude. Why do you want to go ADA to Bitcoin? Is there a particular reason? Someone requested that earlier. I'm not sure if you're still with me, but right. So higher, lower, lower. Bearish divergence, strong action, downside, right? Very likely. That's what we're looking for. Like lower here, and then, high, low, also right. Had the bearish divergence here, also strong bearish. There we are, man. Also here, right? Strong bearish. I know you meant what's your thought, dude. I'm just giving you shit because I'm tired. Sorry, man. OXD, Alex, Vision. I'm not going to be able to do OXD already, man. I'm super tired. I'm just going to do recaps now. I've been live for almost 3 hours. I love being here, but, you know, I had a super busy day today. I'm really tired. I like ADA too. Awesome. ADA to $1. Sure, man. I can recap that. We already did it earlier, so if it's a recap, I'll do it because I don't think it's moved much, but, you know, I'll do ADA. Bearish divergence, action downside. Holding support at the 20. Great low, high, negative, less, negative, low on their side to a lower point. Yep, so hidden bullish. We're creating the hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside. And then we're going from here to here, right? There we go, man. That's it. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. What's it doing there? Higher, positive high on their side, higher point. Nothing there. Let's go to the daily. High, higher, high, higher, high, higher also, right? Then from here to here, we're definitely creating some bearish divergence against the RSI. All right, that's what we're looking for. So from here, high to lower high. great. Strong bearish divergence. Might move down. Probably the reason that we're struggling to get higher than 1,068 sats. But ADA, after all, holding really good, right? Getting terrain on Bitcoin, which is interesting. Right, recaps. Let's go to Bitcoin. Heard it's better to use the Bitcoin charts versus dollars. It really depends on your preference, bro. Depends on whether or not you're going to exit to fiat or not, or what your plan is. If you're planning on adding sats. I mean, if the whole market's going down, Bitcoin's going down, alts are going down, you're very likely going to want to get out of both, and that's when you want to exit on to fiat. So, anyways, Bitcoin, we're making some hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Again, at 35,237, so not super worried, right? We talked about being in a channel earlier, so not worried about that. Nothing on the 4 hour. Did we create something on a low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower on the other side? That's fine. Previous island, low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. That's fine. Neutral at 43.87. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence, right? Action to the downside. We're moving down. Trying to find support. We're not creating the bullish divergence that I wanted to see. I wanted for this to come here. Maybe create a little bit more negative momentum. Low, high, negative, more negative. I don't think we're going to get that. So I'm not sure we're going to actually be creating that bullish divergence that I wanted to see before we actually see this pump. That's fine. I mean, it's still in the same range, 37,275 to 34,438. That's it for Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum? Looking good, boss. Thank you, Daniel, for being here. Much appreciated. Or Daniel Gaston, Dan. Thank you for being here, man. Thoughts on moving for Bitcoin. I just finished that. How's it looking? Thank you, SL. Check that out. Why what? This is normal. What, Joshua? I'm not sure. I'm not sure I'm getting what you're talking about, Joshua. If you guys like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and stuff. Dude, I'm like lost in the chat. Alright, so Ethereum. Let's check it out, dude. On the daily. Oh, tough one for Bitcoin. Alright. Awesome. I wasn't sure what was going on. Anyways, we have hidden bullish, trying to pop, right? Trying to hold on to. Also in a channel, 1,261 to 1,153. Again, consolidation. We called that out a while back, right? Consolidation is boring. It's just market moving sideways. Neutral of 64.34. But if you want to see when it breaks, you have to like be following it daily, right? Otherwise, when you try to catch it, it's already taken off. You could really be in for a lot of trouble. Let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence moving down that. Great. We're not creating anything else. We established that earlier. Neutral at 51.09. And then on the 1 hour, we don't have anything. Last thing we had was bearish divergence. Strong. We moved down on that. We're taking a pop. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, and there's a high. High, low, positive, less positive, high, low. So Ethereum not doing a lot right now. Again, just consolidating in this level. So not super worried about that. ADA. ADA to the dollar, I guess, right? Again, bearish divergence, moving down, still within the channel, 0.40 to 0.37. Not worried about this yet. We're still holding on support. That's fine. Again, neutral at 71.95. This could still come all the way up there and still create bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Just watch out for that. It could trigger at a resistance, right, at 40 cents, and then we break down. The 4 hour. Bearish divergence, short term, again, holding up to a lot of support here, really for, like, you know, dear life, we just keep holding on to that 37.02. Bearish divergence moving down again. Bought at 62.54. And on the 1 hour, we had bearish divergence. Last thing we called was this hidden bullish, right? That hidden bullish was at 9 p.m., right? Look at this, 9 p.m. when we were live. And then, you know, 1, 2, and then the third candle here, I guess. So we're in the hour. Yeah. Why am I getting the midnight? All right, we're in midnight. So 10, 11, and then the midnight candle, right? So the fourth candle, and, you know, we're hitting resistance at the 20, which we said we could. And if that, we could move down here again for support at 37.02. If we break it, we could be looking for testing support at 33.88. But right now, that's it, right? Again, it's trying to go up. Last thing we have is hidden bullish. It's going to hidden bearish divergence. Sure. What? Tricks, Llama? For what? I'm not sure what you're talking about, man. You said because you're shorting now. What? Don't take this as advice, bro. I'm just telling you what could happen. You make your own mind. You make up your own mind, your own decisions. Shrimp, all into crypto. Fiat is for politicians. Right. That's a weird comment. Daniel Gaston says, I live in Brazil. Bitcoin here is our currency. It's up to, what? 24,007, what, reals? Real Brazilian, what is it that you have there, man? I can't remember. Reais? I'm not sure what coin you have down there, man. I can't remember right now. Do I think Bitcoin will retest below 34K? I think it just, no, it just went to 34K. Maybe, dude, we'll check it out again, you know. I already checked out SNX earlier, man. Bitcoin below 34K. Let's see, man. I do believe we have targets there. Right, we have target 34, and then we have a target 33. Also on this chart, we have a target at, you know, here at 33. In case we break this target here at 34,900. Again, we held support beautifully here. So I'm not super worried about Bitcoin right now. You know, and we held support at 35,101, and that's nice. And then on this other chart, what do we have here, man? Next support, or yeah, support. The next support is here at the 236 at 34,230. So there's a lot of support going down on Bitcoin, right? When was the Bitcoin read? At first, we read the Bitcoin at first, and we just did it again right now. But if you want to see the full detail of Bitcoin, it was the beginning. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, guys. Come on, help me out with the likes and the subs. We all love you. I love this community. I want to see this growing more. So, you know, if you hit the like, you tell the YouTube algorithm that, you know, you like the content, and he'll like share it or propose it to other people that have similar tastes like you do. So that helps me out a lot to grow the channel. And also if you sub, it helps me out to grow the channel as well. And then if you keep coming back, we create community, and creating community is pretty tight. So can we get 5 more subs? That would be awesome if we get 5 more subs and I get to 1.36K subs. That would be really, really cool. So 5 more subs would really help me out a lot. I'm at 1,355, so if you guys sub, that'll be amazing. Do you use fib circles to track Bitcoin moves? No, I don't use fib circles, dude. I don't like using fib circles. I just like regular fibs. Right. Thank you, Greg and Whaler, for asking that. Daniel Gaston, you're shorting Binance? Interesting. You got me? Thanks, Louis Duda. That's pretty cool. Who hit the down thumb? I'm not sure. Someone hit the down thumb. There's haters out there. I think I had it since the beginning of the stream. So I started and someone hit the down thumb. The thumb down. It's fine. Whatever, man. It's cool, right? It's also fine if people don't like the show. You cannot please everyone. I try to please most. But ultimately, I have to be myself. Because otherwise, if I'm not myself, I'm going to be betraying. I'm not... tongue twisted. If I'm not myself, I'm going to be betraying myself. And I'm going to be betraying the channel and everything that this channel stands for. Which is transparency, honesty, and facts, right? And not FOMO and no FUD. So, you can only do so much, right? Thank you for being here, guys. Wow, some weird text there. Yeah. Now, Gaston, what time scale, dude? Bitcoin RSI still up 85%? 85? On what time scale? I doubt it, Alex. I'm just tired, man. It's been a very, very long day. 4 hours? Sure, man. I'll check out the 4 hour Bitcoin. RSI is not that high, dude. RSI on the 4 hour Bitcoin is at 44. I'm not sure where you're seeing 85 on the 4 hour. But interesting. Did a great job, 100%. Get some Z's. I'm going to get some Z's later, man. A couple more minutes. Thank you, Jeremiah Kane, for that. Just hanging out for a little bit, see if there's anything else I need to answer before I actually like take off. Big drop. Big drop where? On MACD? Or the RSI, Daniel? That's fine. This is back to neutral, dude, right? So, try to pump again. Kitty Kush, Acro, dude. I'm not gonna do Acro today, man. I'm done with requests. I'm just chilling out, answering questions regarding, technicals. We did Acro yesterday. Join us on Discord. You can pre-queue. You can pre-queue coins, right? So that's pretty wild. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. It's just on the Discord. Join us there. Tell us who you are. I do have pre-stream requests, right? Do we do VT today? Someone asked for VT. Jake told me that in the chat. Yeah, we did VT. We have pre-stream requests, right? Look, here it is. Y'all can come here and ask for pre-stream requests and just queue up the coins, right? So when I start, see the list, the first three that I have, ADA, Link, and Dot, right? They're the pre-stream requests. They're always there, man. So if you do pre-stream requests, I'll write them down, and then you have to wait here for the things to, move along. What's the best way to start learning TA? Well, keep coming here, ask questions. That's great. Join us on the Discord. You can also ask questions there, and that's also great. And also, I can send you some information on the Discord, links to material, reference material. We can learn more. Right. Bad Wizard, what is going on with the Bitcoin? It gives you headaches? It's not doing a lot, man. Also, if you donate, you get access to the donators part of the Discord, which also lets you queue up coins that take priority over, there are regular people that are there. So, I mean, if you're here just for coming here, you get pre-stream requests, which is pretty cool. So if you tip, well, it'll just give you a little bit of priority for being awesome and helping out the channel with the tips and showing that kindness to the channel. And then, I just also take care of you guys. So I give you priority. So that's pretty cool, right? And then you don't have to wait for things to be here, right? Murph, who are you on Discord? Murph, I found you. You just go by Murph also. Roll. Trooper and donator. There we go, man. You got rolls on Discord. Great. Cool. We kosher now. Yeah, there's a lot of places to learn TA, man. But if you join us on Discord, I can help you out and give you also some, some tips as to where you can basically go to find information, right? Sure, Alex. You toss me something, I'll check out Dot, man. I mean, why not, right? By the time I'm usually pretty burned. So yeah, I'll check out Dot. We did it earlier. So it's sort of like a recap, and I'll go in detail. If you hook me up with a tip, for sure, man. No worries. OXT. Sure, man. Sorry. I'm gonna open this down here, dude. GRT broke 58. Well did GRT earlier, so. Let's see where it's at. Aim for resistance, right, at 58.89. Great. Last thing we had was bullish. We hadn't created anything bearish. We're creating bearishness now. Jesus, man, I'm tired, dude. Fudge. This could be a catalyst for a rejection there, right? Just keep it in mind. Look, we're pulling back. Haha. See where this closes. Again, I'm against it going above 0.58 cents or 58 cents. Sorry. This is just gonna start building more negative momentum, more positive momentum, and then we're gonna have bearish divergence trigger it down. But that's what it is. Keeps what? What's my PayPal, Alex Vision? It's on the Discord, man. Sorry, it's not in the Discord. It's in the description. You can find it on the description of the channel. You'll find the PayPal, man. I'm gonna do dot, I guess. So let's go check out. No, dot OXT, right? We hadn't done OXT tonight. Wow, that's pretty good. So it's like a new coin. For some reason, I thought I did it earlier, but I guess I didn't. Let's put OXT to the list. Right. It keeps going super slow, yeah. Let's see, man. I mean, I'm not against it. Project going higher. I do believe we're getting exhausted a little bit. We're flagging. And bring it to the upside, that's fine. Let's see if we can manage to shake off this divergence, right? Otherwise, it could trigger a movement down. We'll see how the graph's going to work, right? The graph's going to chill with us. Yeah, that's cool. What? Something coming through the chat? It's a Nightbot. Yo. It's almost double time. Yeah. It's low here. 24, 25? Yeah. 24 and change, right? 24.73. So yeah, definitely. It's 100% up. What's up, Trixlanka? You gonna short Bitcoin? Okay. Yeah, that's fine, Alex. I'll just do XT real quick, though. That's it. After XT, I'm off, dude. Right? Yeah, I'm not sure how that works, man. Yeah. Let's do XT, man. I'm not sure how much in detail I'm gonna go, dude. I'm just gonna like run through it quickly. Right. So this is the chart we're looking at. Great. On the daily. All right. Bullish divergence going up above that 786. Taking a bounce high low. Possible is positive high low. Nothing on the daily. 4 hour. Look, we had bearish divergence last night, or whenever we looked at this last. Moving down on that, right? Bearish divergence. Move down, found support at 20, taking a pop. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. High, low, high, low. Everything's good here. Nothing bearish. Neutral at 61.23. Let's go to the 1 hour. High, higher, high, low. Bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside. We're having two accounts from here to here and from here to here. Right. So over the long term, it looks like this. And in the short term, it looks like this, right? So bearish divergence. Also, we have it against the RSI. There's a possibility for price action to the downside. We're moving down slightly. It looks like we want to find support there. I'm not sure we have anything here for support. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other side, lower point. Low, high, negative, more negative. Low, lower. Right. So we could be moving down. Maybe try to hit that 20 at 29.85. If we do, we could try to find support there. I mean, we're trying to bounce right now, so a couple things can happen, right? We go higher, create more bearish divergence, and then break down. Or we fail to go higher and the previous high, and then we break down on that. At some point in time, we're going to have to hit this 20 for support and test it, right? That's where we're at right now. Great, man. That's it for tonight. Yeah, no worries, man. Thanks for being here, guys. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like button and stuff, right? Guys, that's going to be it for tonight. Again, this is Stagnant Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream. I really do appreciate y'all for being here. I do appreciate all the amazing tips that you give to support the channel. Thank you all, for reals, for everything that you do, for being here and supporting with your time, your likes, your subs. If you believe in the content that we're creating and you believe it's of use and value, not only to you, but could be of use and value to someone else, invite your friends, your family, your coworkers, or whoever you believe it could be of value. Point them out to us, right? Share our content on social media, right? Let people know that, you know, Alex Vision, love that. Thanks, man. So, cool. Let people know that we are here, right? On social media. Like, bring awareness, help bring awareness to the channel, right? That's cool also. So, remember, all the information that we do here is for entertainment and educational purposes only, right? You should not trade based on what you see here. All we do is like talk about the technicals, how they work, you know, more or less where the market could move, upside and downside. That's going to be it for tonight, guys. Again, I really appreciate y'all. Thanks for joining me tonight here. Join me on the Discord. Links in the description. Again, everyone, thanks so much for the awesome tips that you guys sent on crypto, on fiat. You know, it's amazing to have this support on the channel. That's going to be it for tonight, guys. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.